Check, 1, 2. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming in and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. You're here with the Crypto Lifer. It is about 10:15 on a Monday morning. We're ready to rock and start our week. What a beautiful week. What a beautiful time to be alive. I woke up this morning. What did I say? I said thank you for my legs. I said thank you for the ability to get out of bed and go to the bathroom without being in a wheelchair. I said, dear Lord, thank you for my ability to go online every day and have my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel was taken from me just 2 days ago at the peak of the height of the most money I'd ever made in super chats. I was super happy. I'm reading the comment section right now. It is insane to go from the highest high you've ever been to the lowest low in literally 10 minutes. I don't know if you've ever experienced that, but it can wreck you. And I had to stay grounded. And this is, and honestly, if you can keep your emotions in that situation, then you can keep your emotions in a trade. And you guys see me, yes, shed tears sometimes of joy, shed tears of compassion. And I do feel I am an emotional person, but when I'm in a trade, it is what it is, man. Black screen, what the heck are you talking about, man? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. You guys freaked me out, man. You gotta be careful what you say to me. I'm super sensitive to the words. Okay, so black screen, like what? How is that possible? Maybe he's right, because he's like my number one dude. It's crazy. They don't seem to put there we go. Black screen. I'm right there, live and direct, bro. Ain't no black screen. All right, anyway. Freaking me out, man. Okay, everything is fine. Okay, the man, the myth, the legend. Much love to the lifers. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Today, we're going to go over Bitcoin. Total 2. Bitcoin dominance. We're going to show you exactly what's happening in the market. Possibly give you a free trade. You know, if there's a trade out there, I'm going to give it to you. And we're going to be there for you every step of the way. So, stay with me. Stay with the Crypto Lifer. We're going to take a look at crypto bubbles real quick. Why not? Crypto bubbles. What is crypto bubbles? Shows you kind of what's happening in the market. Let me shrink myself down to the small section, and I'll see you guys in the bottom, I guess your bottom right corner, right? All right, here I am. So, moving forward, let's take a look at crypto bubbles. What is crypto bubbles? It's really cool. It's a bubble site, right? And what is it doing? It's showing you all the coins that are up or down today. And, oh, funny, they're going to eventually make their way to the side of the screen. That's hilarious. The bigger the bubble, the bigger the gain. So it's very easily to physically see what coin made the most. So you want to look for the smallest coins today, and we want to trade them because we want to trade coins that are down, right? You don't want to buy a coin that's been up. So we're going to take a look at some of these coins. So we're going to take a look at Maker, Celsius, BNB, CHZ only up 7%, even smaller coins. What's down? XTZ, XDC on my radar. And, you know, it's all the top hot coins, too. All the coins that we've been trading. Trades with good volume. Okay. What do you think is going to happen with Tether? I don't trust Tether not one bit. I use USDC now mostly, and BUSD. Kind of moved on from Tether just in case. You know, I can only keep half of Tether. It is what it is. I don't really stress it. I don't stress these things, man. I've been through crypto. I've been watching this stuff for years. There's been news and all this. They've been taking Tether down for 4 years now. Like 3 years. I don't listen to any of this stuff, man. I don't. I stay protected. I have most of my stuff on a hardware wallet, and I know what I'm doing. I go from there. I don't feed into any negativity. I'm not saying I don't listen to the news, and I'm not saying I just blatantly go to the positive place, but I don't feed into negativity. Send them super chats, people, for them deep dives. Man, should have copped amp. Your title mentions Cardano. Yeah, Cardano's one of my biggest holdings. Got up to Cardano at 2 and 8 cents. I love Cardano. I'm one of the few YouTube channels out. Or if you Google me and you look, I have an actual interview with Charles Hawkinson. I've been face-to-face with the man. You know what I'm saying? And I really appreciate him. Right here, my stream should be right here. You see it? My stream should be right here. Usually it is. My own stream, but not happening. Bitcoin is here to stay. All aboard the gain train. Yeah, I don't know. If you look at my videos, if you look at my channel and you go home, right, you'll see one of the first videos. Now it's not, the first video plays, but once I'm out, first video that comes up, it says Bitcoin, three reasons that possibly Bitcoin is bottomed. Okay, that idea is kind of playing out already for us as we speak. So, and I'm not saying we definitely have bottomed, but I was leading up to it. You can see my videos. They're very kind of prophetic in a way. It's 42K coming for BTC. See? It just kind of, you know, Bitcoin pumps into 34K. And I just started thinking, you know, 3 signs the bottom may be in for Bitcoin. And I went over things that a lot of other people weren't going over. And I've been staying with the fundamentals day in and day out. Kickstarted today with some taco money. Appreciate you, $2.99 to Rodney Robinson. Shout out to you. Hope you had a good time at Disney. I don't know if you're still there. MATIC Money Printer goes brrrr. Shout out to MATIC doing its thing. Send them super chats, people, for them deep dives. What do you think is going to happen with Tellor? Yeah, your title mentions Cardano. Good morning from Tree City. Shout out to Tree City West up in the spot. Appreciate you more than you would ever know. Shout out to the DYOR research team. Shout out to my dudes, DYOR. Got a sick website. Looks beautiful. DYORtoken.info. Check them out. Beautiful site. Beautiful, beautiful site. Love what they did here and what it is. Do your own research. Too many people are getting scammed. They actually give back to victims of scams. If someone's like, yo, I lost like 15K and I'm beat, you know, try to help that person regain it. That kind of, I like that idea, but how do we verify the scam? We got to verify the scam on the blockchain, and then once the scam's verified and the address, you know, cool, but they're really not about giving back, but they're more about showing you, in my opinion, how not to get scammed. All about doing your research. So do your own research token. Enough is enough. $135,000 market cap. This thing is tiny. 10xing to $1 million, right? If it gets that pump. So talking about every day, pushing the awareness, getting people to understand, why not push a project that's going to help people? There's all these scams. Send Lifer a super chat and he will jump on the deep end. Thank you for that awesome comment. Hey Lifer, can you please take a look at CHR? I bought your stream last night. It's gone backwards. How's it looking, sir? I got stopped out of CHR. I got stopped out. I want my trades to get stopped out. I either want to make it or not. If I told you every single trade made it, then I'd be a liar, right? So, of course, something I get into is not going to go. It's going to happen. I make, 10, 20 trades a week? I'll probably have 5 of them. 6 of them may not happen for me. I've been very, 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 very accurate, though. More accurate than most. At least 60 to 70% accurate. Deadly accurate. When it comes to trading, that's a very high accurate rate. And I can still be profitable with less than that, but I've been accurate. Let's take a look at CHR as well. I'm thinking it's time to get back in. I'm going to take a shot and look at what's going on. So one thing I did talk about, right? Rising wedge. 68% chance of a break to the downside. And it wasn't a rising wedge. That's why my stop loss is close always to these areas here. Because if I get hit out, right, then I don't have taken the loss, right? And it falls out of the pattern. If it holds the pattern, it breaks out parabolic. Again, rising wedges are the riskiest to trade because they have a 68% chance of a break to the downside. All right. Now let me see what's going on. Let's go to the 1 hour. 1 hour is getting oversold yet again. You know, I bought this double bottom here too. Highly likely we're going to play. I hadn't seen anything like that in a long time. Look, down, up, up, double bottom, up. That one was a little funky. So it's rare that you double bottom. Very rare that you see this type of pattern. Fake out here. So when I saw the double bottom, I played it. You know, it was what it is. I see it many, many times, and we're in a bit of a flag. So now it's up with CHR. So they faked even the lifer out, and even anyone can get faked out. And that's why you have what's called a stop loss. They even had a support and resistance flip. Look, we had support right here, and I was hoping we would hold on resistance. You get it? The trade was sound, in my humble of opinions. It just sometimes doesn't go your way. That's why it says 68% chance of a break to the upside. So this is what's happening in my opinion. It's making a bit of a falling wedge. Resetting here. Also, this could be a bit of a more downtrend. Interesting. It definitely needs to make a higher high right above this level. And if it does not, it needs to hold this support zone where these candles close, this structure of candles closed here. I want to see the bounce. I want to see the bounce at 35. If we don't get the bounce at 35, highly likely it comes back to test again for this giant more double bottom at 32. We are getting very oversold now on the 1 hour. It's getting very close to the move now. And some could even still call that the flag. Same flag that I was playing, just a little different structure of a flag here. We could try again. Set up again at the end of the line, you know. Now we look at the 4 hour. 4 hours getting there. Could double bottom too, though. But it's oversold. The daily not in your favor, though. See, the daily took you down. Interesting. Can you trade inside? Now, you are fighting the daily right now when you're trying to trade this, so highly likely you're not getting big pumps to the upside. So that's something I'd kind of be wary of now, because the daily is extremely hot. I hope we got a little bit of a scalp yesterday. We did not. Damn, I was like, all the USDT pairs get pumped. CHR usually gets a nice pump. It did not. Right? But I mean, the 1 hour suggests that you're going to get some action. At least to the high or back here. How much is this? 50? I don't know. With the daily as high as it is, it's just a little, could be a little unlikely. The daily took me out. Yeah. What cord storage do you use and recommend? AMP is the money printer. AMP on, you're on Bittrex, right? Yeah. Plenty of room. Appreciate it was. Yeah. Hey, Liver, can you please take a look at CHR? Yeah. Send Liver a super chat and he will do a deep dive. Hello, good morning. What's LP on Do Your Own Research? No idea. Me too, bro. Lifer is human, part bot, though. Right? Mitchell Green. LP is around 26K right now. Plenty room. Appreciate it was. Looking fresh, Stanley. Samley. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for all the calls over the weekend. I've never seen so many consecutive green closes on my 3 commas. I'm super pumped for our session later. Dude, that's amazing. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah, this weekend we absolutely killed it. We dominated the space. We played it. I saw Bitcoin for what it was. I found a bunch of good coins that were going to play off Bitcoin, and we just nailed them. We took them time after time. Cool, man. Okay. All right. Well, look at it. Let's get into Bitcoin. Super chats right off the bat. Okay, so Bitcoin on the 1 hour flagging. Beautiful. Remember I said I put in these 2 suggested areas and I said we hope it does one of these 2 things. Okay. I projected an idea, right? And so far it's doing one of the ideas, right? And you're not going to be perfect with like how it's going to go. You don't know how big the candles will be. Smaller candles. Very interesting for Bitcoin. I'm just going to delete it. First thing you're going to go do is the weekly. We're going to look at weekly support and resistance. I'm just going to teach you exactly how to trade from the jump. So if you're new today, if you just came in, get yourself a notepad, write some things down. This is a free tutoring session every single day with the Crypto Lifer, okay? I believe you're as powerful as what you give away, and the more I give away, the more people join the Patreon, the more people want to be a part of what I'm doing. They think it's a beautiful group, good energy, good vibes, and that's where they want to be. And that's where I want to be. And so I left my old life of the 9 to 5, and I decided to break on out and do me on YouTube. And now I do me on YouTube, and you guys do yourselves with me. That didn't sound right at all. But the point is, I make you laugh, I make you smile. You do yourself with me. Cheers to the Crypto Lifers, man. The whole point is I make you laugh, I make you smile. We've cried on this channel. We've had people die on this channel. One of my subscribers has passed away. Shout out to Lillianne Ross, who we called Lillianne Rose, the sweetheart. She has passed away, and I appreciate her. I know you're looking down on us. Shout out to Chicken Wing if you're out there. Appreciate you. Shout out to Mitchell Green. Shout out to all my peoples, man. Thank you for the super chats. Thank you for all the calls over the weekend. I've never seen so many consecutive green closes on my 3 commas. I'm super pumped for our session later. Hey, Lifer, can you check RSR? And if a good trade is good for today? Little Smitty, yes, for sure. Just because. Be blessed. Shout out to Clonus Q. Appreciate the $2 super chat. Every little bit helps. Thank you very, very much. Your $2 is hundreds of dollars in my mind. Thank you very, very much. Morning, guys, from sunny Northern California. Happy crypto vibes all around. Happy crypto vibes to my peoples. Happy crypto vibes to my peoples, man. So look at that beautiful falling wedge. Break to the upside on the weekly time frame. What did I say to you guys? Well, I did this. And I did it over and over again. And I drew a line here, which was flat. And then I used my RSI. Okay. and I drew a line which is like this. And that is swing up to swing up, and that's swing down to swing down. That's hidden bullish divergence. Tells me that the trend will continue to the upside. I said it many times. I went over it many times. The entire market told you 24K. Every single person out there said we were going to the downside. Hold on. Shout out to all my TikTokers out there. You're here with the Crypto Lifer. And yes, the whole market said we would go to 24K. Yes, everyone shorted. All the Doge kids shorted. All those TikTokers shorted. They all TikTok the whole market. But you know what? Smart money was looking at the charts, and I am a divergence trader. And I knew exactly what divergence is. It's when I have a point of a swing down and another swing down. Swing to the upside. I have the same points here on the RSI. I compare these. Swing down and swing up. That is hidden bullish divergence, especially when I see this mountainous region that comes up and down. It tells me the trend will continue to the upside. I should see Bitcoin sum up around 60, 70, 80K within, I believe, about 2 months from now. That's what this divergence is telling me. I've seen it play out on the hour, the 4 hour, and many other time frames. So TikTokers, stick with the Crypto Lifer. I'm on YouTube every single day from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. I will see you there. Peace. Okay, so cool. That's a TikTok segment. Tenacious. You know what to do, my friend. You know what to do. Hey, can you look over Lattice Token? We'll take a look at Lattice for sure. Now we look at RSR. But just finishing my Bitcoin rant here. So, this is what's called hidden bullish. You can play this and trust in this, and it should play out. And you know what? It's starting to play out, and I trusted in it. And I kept saying that, you know, we're extremely oversold on the weekly. I said every time I had a session with someone, I'd say, listen, Bitcoin came down here. It was a good time to buy. Oversold. It bounced and it tanked off the 30K, off the 20K. It was oversold. You know, we had our bottom here at like 3,100, right? It was oversold on the stochastic. You know, we got it low here at like 68.75. It was oversold. We had our pandemic dump, which didn't even come too much lower, which is crazy, oversold. Then we had our dip, which everyone said we were going to close a gap at 9,200, which I said, I don't know. I'm just going to play the way I see the divergence. I was right again. We long 10.6. We never looked back. Elliott wave traders told us we were going to 22K. I'm telling you right now, 100% of them. They all drew all these waves and they said we were going down. Everyone, like 90% of the Elliott wave traders said we had to fulfill this long wave. That's just how it has to happen. They said it is what it is. It's Elliott wave. At that point, I decided to stay away from the majority of Elliott wave traders, and I apologize if you are one, because I saw them all gather around each other and then decide we were gonna. They became all alpha bears at one point, and I said no. And my channel, we were right, and I'm not trying to say we were right. The divergence was right. The fundamentals were right, and I'm not saying this could be a bear trap. I want to see us break 42K, but looking very strong at 38K, and we broke above some serious support regions. To go back down now, we have to just break through support, and we just made it right through. You know, we just busted right through resistance. So I don't know. So stick to your divergences, man. Learn how to trade these. Find these on the 4 hour. Jump in on trades. Watch them. Backtest these ideas over and over again. You'll see they come to fruition. And so far so good. The crypto lifers, man. We weren't bearish. I didn't tell anyone to open a short. I said we will open a short. If I said, you know what, this could break down. This is what I said to everybody. I said this could break down. If it breaks down, it usually comes and retests the bottom and then drops. I said when this comes down, it will retest and we'll short the retest. We'll do the smart thing. This came down and did a retest. You long the retest. And so far so good for the weekly. And you can see it hit weekly resistance right there at 39.40K, and it bounced off of it and came lower. So, but again, weekly candle close was absolutely beautiful. Now we have another beautiful green weekly candle. As long as this weekly candle closes above the previous low right here, that's all we need. All we need is the weekly to establish a higher low. So I'd be happy at 32K, 34K. Any from 32K up, I don't care. If Bitcoin goes back to 32K, it'll seem bearish, but for me, it'll be an uptrend because it'll just say, okay, we're making a higher low. So remember that I told you guys that, because a lot of people, I say these things, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, people seem to forget what I said. I see even, not a lot, most of the lifers are cool, but I see people in the group, in my bigger group, and beginners, they're like, Bitcoin's dumping again, what's going on? And I'm like, on Monday, I told you, like, it's okay. It's okay. So just write things down that I said right now. Like, I would write that down. Possibly 32K, but Lifer says anything above the higher high, the higher low, everything that makes a higher low is a beautiful thing and we'll be all right. So just wanted to kind of go over this. I went over this almost every single day. I talked about to all my tutoring sessions that you want to accumulate Bitcoin in these regions. You want to grab as much as you can in this region. I even didn't get enough. I only got about 12,000 between like 35 and 29K, and I wish I had gotten more. You know what I'm saying? Not to brag. I know it's a lot compared to some people. But, you know, I just grabbed this, you know, and I'm almost like, man, I should have emptied my entire bank account. You know what I'm saying? And, but it is what it is. I'm using Coinbase card right now in my wallet every day, and I love it. And how I'm using it is I'm getting 4% back in Stellar Lumens. So just want to talk about that. It's really cool. Get your Coinbase card today. I don't like Coinbase too much, but I don't mind loading up USDC onto my coin for free, no fee, and then using that USDC every day. The second I use it, I get a text that pops right up. You just use this, you got this back in XLM. And then I stack X Stellar Lumens. What I plan to do is just switch the Stellar Lumens into BTC. So you're technically getting 4% back in Bitcoin. They only give you 1% back in Bitcoin, but you get 4% in Stellar. So every time the Stellar loads up and gets to a certain point, like $100, I just flip it into Bitcoin. So to me, it's 4% in Bitcoin, right? What's the, how you know, not too bad, right? Not too shabby, pretty cool. So something to think about. Why not get 4% back every time and use cryptocurrency for your exchange? And then I tell people when I'm doing it, and I say, I just use cryptocurrency. I'm the crypto lifer. And I expose myself everywhere I go and promote cryptocurrencies. Okay, so just wanted to go over the idea that when the whole market fudded us, the crypto lifers just stuck to fundamentals. And I've been doing this over and over again, and the fundamentals have been showing to be true over and over again. Like low stochastics on the weekly. Come on, man. You just keep dollar cost averaging in here. And this could even dip again and stay down low. Nothing is guaranteed in this game, but that's the lowest they've ever pinned Bitcoin in the last 4 years in the stochastic RSI. Look at that. That told me something funny was going on, right? Stochastics usually in a bull run don't get down here in the weekly time frame. And no, this suggests, man, Bitcoin's ready to rally. And, you know, and what I want to do is I want to juxtapose some things that look, and I'll show you how time frames don't really matter. Time frames do not really matter. It's you that create the time frame difference. Look at XTZ, looks pretty good too on the 1 hour. We'll take a look at that. Tezos also got some bullish news, but that's in a bull flag, ready to rock to the upside. We'll talk about that at 293. Shout out to Crypto Greg. I don't know if he's out there. He took an XTZ scalp the other day. So we're going to take a look at what I want to show you is like Atom. No, actually, no, AAVE. AAVE had this going on. So I go to AAVE, right? And you'll see here. Similar thing that Bitcoin did. All right? If you take this point here, and this is the 1 hour, all right? And that point there, and then you take this point and this point. You see they go to the downside. This goes to the upside. Hidden bullish divergence tells you the trend will continue to the upside. And what happened? The trends continue to the upside. Yes, it double bottoms, but then we're gone. All right, let me keep showing you this. We go to the 4 hour now. Check it out. And I kept comparing these things, right? Oh yeah, there it is on the daily time frame. Is it even? Yeah, and you can see, look, the trend would continue to the upside. Boom. I'm guessing Bitcoin will take us down, but see, it says the trend will go up. You'll eventually end up higher than you were before. Bam. Okay. I saw it on a smaller time frame down here when we first started too. And it was doing it yet again. And so I'm trying to show you this stuff over and over again. Oh my God, yo, I'm live, baby, but I'll call you right back. I thought about you last night for 10 minutes. A heavy meditation. You're live on YouTube right now.
I just learned about bundle crypto, and I'm interested. So I'm gonna.
What's it called? Bundle. We'll take a look at it on the live stream right now. Jump on into the YouTube, man. You're live right now. I love you, brother. I love you. I love you. Okay, bundle crypto. My peoples, man, always getting into the game. I love it. There's so much crypto out here. Look, swing up to swing up, swing down to swing down. What happened? We ended up here, okay? I'm telling you right now, very similar thing that Bitcoin was doing. Look, this is the exact pattern. Tell me they don't look similar. It's got the king up here. It's got a dip. It's got the dip. No one else recognized this but my crazy face. My crazy face. Yo, I'm insane. I saw this, man, and And I knew certain people, I couldn't get through to certain people. I don't know if they would even notice it. And I'm not saying we're going to 50K and it's over. I'm just saying you take it day by day and you don't like, but this, tell me this doesn't look similar. They're not, you know. So I hope you're seeing this. I hope I'm blowing your mind right now. One of the few people on YouTube. And the problem was that guy's channel, Ryan, which I love the guy. He made the Wyckoff, and he got everyone believing that the Wyckoff had to be, and we could still be in a Wyckoff. We could, but he got everyone into it, and I never bought it. I just never bought the theory because it wasn't mine. And I'm such a stubborn man. I really am. I'm the most stubborn person you've ever met. And I was just like, nah, like, maybe, you know. But so this is what I'm talking about. Look at this, dude. They match so closely. It's insane. Look at the fractal right there. Tell me they aren't like, come on, man. I just took that from AAVE 4 hour. So I just want to show you guys how I'm trading. I do use fractal magic. I do pattern analysis. I can find a pattern from before and after, lay it in. I've seen thousands of charts, 4 hour, 1 hour, daily, weekly. I lay them all together. I come up with an insane idea that someone else hasn't come up with. My mind searches the charts. My subconscious is, it's insanity. That's absolute insanity right there, but it plays out. So the crazier you are, maybe the better off you are. The less you are like everybody else, the more insane you are, especially when it comes to the charts, man. And then it's basics too. And then you can take your insanity and then go down with basics. Low stochastics on the weekly is where you buy Bitcoin. Go to the fear and greed index. Make sure it's super low and people are freaking out. Let's take a look at what it is today in the crypto space. Let's take a look at the fear and greed index. 1052. 26, that's not bad. It's coming up. But we got, when it was at 10, you got to buy Bitcoin. Like, you got to buy Bitcoin when the fear and greed index, you buy in the fear. They taught you this, you know, if you read any multi-millionaire, Warren Buffett, buy on the streets, right? Rothschild, buy in the streets, even if it's your own. Buy the blood in the streets, even if it's your own. Famous quote, right? Let's take a look at Bundle from my dude. Shout out to my man, Jordan. Appreciate you, Jordy. If you're out there in the crypto space, man, I love you, bro. Sorry, I've been a little distant. I've been working my butt off lately. Thought about you last night, though, for sure. Like, I was like, man, I gotta hit up Jordy, man. I'm going to the vineyard in 4 days. I'm gonna spend about a week there. It's been hard with my trading group and what I'm doing, but I'm gonna find a way to move. And so, guys, I will be making a trip. So check it out. I'll be making a trip. So check it out. We let's see, Bundle. Yeah, bundles. Bundle DAO, bundles. Dark bundles, too. BUND. B-U-N-D. BUND. I think this is what he's talking about. Bundles. 2,000. Yeah, it's small. It's out there. Bundles Finance. $6.44. Let's see. Missed every stream last week. Feels good to be back, man. Awesome. Awesome. Do your thing, Lifer. I missed Lifer in his cake hoodie. What's up? I ordered mine. I just got bullish div on BTC. On the one, I believe. Keep them super chats coming, people. Deep dives, deep dives. Yeah, don't expose yourself. It's funny, right? I'm promoting cryptocurrency too. Mitchell Gring. The Amazon news, good for Fantom. Oh, so good. Plan on buying more when 15 minute goes below the 30 RSI. Seems like a trend on Bitcoin and others. Yes, exactly. I bought the dip on 30K. Picked up a lots of MATIC at 65 cents. I'm going to play the opposite to what people say. Rama Ama. That's what I'm saying. Lifer knows this game. Shout out to Rama Ima. Also a Ramit. Yo, appreciate you, man. Ramit, Ima, Asho, Ramit. Morning, y'all. Shout out to XRP Muser up in the spot. You seen that was Jordy just on the phone, bro? Crazy, right? I ordered mine. What's up? What's up? Shout out to Stack McChain. Shout out to all my admins up in the spot. Love you. Appreciate each and every one of you. All right. So Bundles Finance. My dude, my good friend put me on. Let's see what's up with it. Market cap. Circulating supply. That is a very small circulating supply. 86,000? That's interesting. Total supply, only 100,000? Guys, it only has a very small supply. That's crazy. That's interesting. 24-hour trading volume, only $55 though? That's kind of sketchy. I would stay away from this thing. $55. Use crypto prediction skills, earn APY. Bundles Finance, prediction pool, staking, NFT, roadmap, tokenomics, team. Launch app on ETH. Launch app risk. Marketplace. Use crypto prediction skills. Earn APY. Join our prediction pools and compete against users. Earn as much as 39% over 48 hours in returns. So I can make predictions, and if they come right, make money on the bundles. Low risk bundles, high risk bundles. BUND staking NFT. Bundles allow users to stake their BUND to earn either more BUND or BUND NFT tokens that can be used on the marketplace. BUND staking. Interesting. Some cool NFTs too. Look at those NFTs. Pretty crazy, man. Look at that one. Nuts. Featured artists: Brian Simon, Amir Carter, Danny Sanzone, California. So maybe this is my people's. I'm getting it. Amir. I feel like I know this dude, right? Amir? Danny Sanzone. Interesting. The BUND token. Total burnt. Okay, you can even see the founders: Simon Lewis, Sid Bozane, Brendy Gentry, community outreach and consultant and advisor, a crypto wolf. Each interesting. Judgment Finance. Okay. Bundles. Interesting. Worries me is just this has no volume at all, right? Market cap is $558,000, but I mean, it hasn't even hit $1 million, right? Trading volume $55 though. You see that? That must not be right. Maybe they just can't get the trading volume yet. Let's take a look at their Twitter. How many people are following their Twitter? Got to have at least like 1,000. Not bad. 4,500. So they're beginning their journey. I'll give them a follow. Bundles. Interesting. $55 trading volume? Yeah, but it's crazy. You should have all the info you need. DMs, my dude. Okay. In 4 minutes, I'm going to go over something else. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. I like the project, to be honest. Buy the Bloods. What's up, Sam? Shout out to P-Star Finance. Shout out to Pornstar Finance. So, yeah, we don't, Pornstar Finance. It may do well. You never know, right? So, okay. Pornstar Finance. Let's take a look at this. $11,000 followers on Twitter. Okay, the hottest gems out there. Hottest gem on BSC ambassadors. Doing pretty good. All right. Just looking at this, man. Taking a look at it. Pornstar.finance. They got their own site. And these are all high-risk gems too. Little tiny coins. Be very, very careful when getting into these. I don't make these my priority at all, as you can see. But $4.3 million market cap. Star BNB. Got a really strong team. Could do big. Look, it's in a giant inverted head and shoulder. You see that? Let me show you what I'm talking about real fast. But Bitcoin just broke out of that, which is like a foreshadowing of what could be happening. Let's take a look at this. You know what? It's one of the few. Let me see. I want to see its whole chart here. Let me get a 1 hour on it. Everything dumped, obviously, because the market. All right. So it was up there. It's all the way down there. It's in the cup and handle. Let's take a look. It's in the old cup and handle. The Hoover family. What's up on term price prediction on Tellor, to be honest? We'll take a look at Tellor. We got to look at RSR. We got to finish Bitcoin. We got to get into total too. Bitcoin dominance. We got a lot to do today, guys, so stick with me. We're not done here. We're going to finish the show off strong. It's going to take at least another hour to get out of here. 10 to 12 every single time. And it flies by. I don't know how it flies by so fast, but it does. Usually I'm a little faster, but it's Monday morning. Honestly, this weekend took a lot out of me. Usually the weekend is when you're relaxed. Imagine this. Imagine super chatting. That's why, dude, I'm going to write a book, dude, and the book is going to be insane. That night is going to be in the book. I'm making the super chats get out of control. Guys start throwing $50, $100. It got out of control. $100 were getting thrown. People were like, who can throw the more super chats? I can throw more super chats. I love the lifer. I was bugging out. My emotions were getting higher as the super chats came in. That made the super chats come in again. It was a reaction to reaction. You could feel the energy. It got insane. Like the energy was like, it almost like the energy bubbled up. And then I felt so good. I was like, dude, I got to get back. Like, I got to give back. So I was like, I'm gonna give back to my peoples. And I changed the title of my video. And, I put some Bitcoin out there to the peoples. I did some trivia and people like answered certain questions. And it was fun, man. And the comments came in faster than I've ever seen them. Like rapid speed, like a freaking AK-47. They were like, brrr. My adrenaline was pumping. It was out of control. Next thing you know, my screen turns black. I can't even sign in. My wife's like, you're done. You're terminated. And I'm like, terminated? She's like, you're done. You're gone. Like, and I'm like, I'm gone where? She's like, you're gone off of, and I sat here on the screen. You should have seen me. I go, my channel's gone? I said, my channel's gone, babe. It's gone, babe. I sat there for 2 minutes just repeating it. I said, but it's gone. I said, 2 years of work. I said, everything I ever do. I said, my entire life. I said, my entire life. I realized, man, how much that YouTube algorithm has me. So I think I'm free, but no one's free, man. Like, none of us are free, because how free was I that night when I realized that everything could get taken away from me in 2 seconds, man. You know, that was just insane, you know. But then I write the emails. I wake up the next morning and I'm in bed. I open my eyes and I'm like happy. I'm like, and then I realize, like, I don't have a YouTube channel, and I may not go streaming, and I'm like, that's all I live for. That's my whole life. And I was like, oh my gosh, like, what am I gonna do? You know? And I closed my eyes, and the night before I prayed to God, and I said, you know, if this is what you want from me, then I accept it. Then I accept it. I said, if this is what you want from me, then I accept it 110%. And I'll just be stronger. Like, I'll go on Twitch or somewhere else, and I'll find my way. And then my wife said, but you never got a warning. You never got a strike. She's like, this will get resolved. And my wife just logically spoke to me very calmly and she said, this will get resolved. She said, you did nothing wrong. You don't do anything wrong. This will get resolved, you know. And she was right, man. And so to all the people out there, man, a good woman in your life. There'll be nothing like a good woman in your life. That changed my life, having a good woman. My wife, man. So shout out to the crypto wifer. Everyone benefits from her because she keeps me whole. She keeps me sane. And that's how I'm able to help you guys out every single day. So yes. But what a roller coaster ride. Imagining, someone said earlier today, like in the comment section at the beginning, let's read it because he kind of nailed it. And he said, like, you know, you're up so high. And then he said, I felt so sorry for the lifer. He was in a complete state of happiness after all those super chats Saturday. Then happiness became despair as YouTube deleted his account. Oh my God. It was insane. Thank God all worked out and we're back here with the man. You know, I'm just, dude, you never know what's going to happen in your life, man. And you got to roll with the punches every single day, baby. Make it understanding Steam service with some type of token. Shout out to Baby. Shout out to the crypto wifer. I like this guy, please. Shout out to Jeffrey Case. So we made it through, man, and we're back here now. So look at this, man. Cup and handle for Pornstar. Breaking out of this little flag as well. Bitcoin also breaking out of a flag. Look like the whole market could just fall. If Bitcoin pumps back to 100K, which I think it's starting to do, somewhat of a crazy move. You know, I'm not saying guaranteed, but it's beginning the idea. And we'll take it step by step. We're not going to say today and then stick to it tomorrow. We're going to, step by step, what's happening with Bitcoin. Okay, so just something to think about, you know. You could throw half a BNB in here. I throw $200-300 in these things. $4.3 million market cap. That's strong, actually. Sitting there pretty good. Down here with the still $4.3 million market cap. Cup and handle. Pornstar, man. This thing could boom to the upside. Very interesting. So, yeah. And we took a look at their site. Site can't be reached. Took too long to respond. That's kind of weird. So for some reason I can't seem to get the site up and running. Maybe that was a bad link. We'll see. Sometimes they want to connect to your wallet. I don't have a wallet here. I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. I'll try another thing here. Jackson, what are your thoughts on Koala Coin? You know, Koala Coin's cool, man. It's like this little coin that crawls in your ear and lays egg. Now, you, man, got Koala Kramer with me all the way from London. Shout out to Jackson Kramer. Shout out to Jordan. Shout out to my peoples, man. Love you guys. Thank you so much for coming on to the live stream. You know, this is a cryptocurrency live stream. But look at, like, see this guy sitting here like this? Dex Guru. It's about also living a good life and being a positive person. I'm raising my frequency. I have quit the 9-to-5. I do not work for someone ever again, and I never will. I've traded cryptocurrency for the last 5 years until I became financially free. I then formed a trading group where I teach people exactly what I did to make my wealth and do what I do. Friends and family stopped listening to me, so I hit the airwaves and decided to bring it out to these people. And you know what? People love it, eat it up. Every day I see people change their lives and do amazing things. Young kids buying little dream cars, you know. Look at this. Like, I get just amazing DMs from people, and they changed my life, man. Just the other day, I got this DM. Look, yo, lifer, I brought my dream car today at 21. I can't thank you enough. You definitely helped me and your group. Dedication, all of the changing the lives, brother. I don't care for material assets. They mean nothing. But generally was the reason I started to learn to make money myself. But this generally was the reason. It's being delivered next day. Super happy. Love you and your group. So happy. I held it back for so long, but I finally gave in. And, you know, and then if you just go to the testimonials too of the people, it's insane. It's insane what people say. Like, I can't even believe it. He says, hey, everyone. Oh, yeah, we got taken out. But here's one of my favorite ones. I just want to let you know how much I appreciate you. Our tutor. I also do one-on-one tutoring, all right? How much I appreciate you. Our tutoring sessions yesterday exceeded my expectations. Not only are you the kindest soul, but you are also a professional and have such a gift. Full transparency. I was overwhelmed with the information, but I'm excited to practice and dive in, you know? And it just... You know, and you don't talk about Lambos, you have a family. She's like, don't get me wrong, Rambos are cool, but it's nice to see someone, you know, she said that has a family, and she's like, and I really appreciate you, you're spectacular. Looking forward to more sessions, more live streams, and the abundance of lessons I suspect there are to be learned on the journey. I don't know, man, did a session with the lifer today. I can say all good stuff about Sam. Can't wait to see what's to come. I have day traded stock exchange for over 5 years. Glad I took the time to sit with the lifer. Made $1,500 on Soj. The guy's doing something right. The $100 I made, the $100 I paid to sit with him back in the same day. Unbelievable. So shout out to everyone here. Are you still staking cake, making $300 to $500 a day? No, I sold all my cake at about $20. Yeah. I put $7K back in. The website domain is changing, run slow, but it's there. Let's see. I just can't seem to get it to load. Point-of-Star Finance. Life is full of surprises. You never know what's going to happen. That episode with Lifer was proud of it. We can go from the sky to the bottom in a matter of seconds, so always be thankful for everything. Yeah, you never know. You never know. Yeah, Kramers, if you never know, just 2 days ago, my channel was deleted, completely deleted in the middle of the night during my live stream on Saturday night. Live streams were, super chats were flying in. It got out of control. Super chats got up to like $800. People were throwing money at me, $100 bills. It was nuts. I'm telling you, it was absolutely insane. So I decided to give back, and then when I did the give back, I don't know, it triggered the algorithm. Something happened, and next thing you know, poof, I was gone like the wind. But let's get back into the charts and what we do here. All right. So I'm showing you a fractal that I found on a 4-hour AAVE trade, and look how similar it looks. It even has the little dip here on the side, dip on the side. It just, I'm telling you, there's an algorithmic bot that moves these coins, and they seem to go to the same place over and over and over again. So I hope I just blew your mind. Fractal magic. Showed you where we took this from AAVE, 4-hour chart. Showed you how it matches Bitcoin exactly. I showed you how hidden bullish divergence plays to the upside. What is divergence? It's when you have a different angle in the price as opposed to the RSI, right? And yes, I'm a nerd. This is what I've been doing every single day for hours. They had me in a room when I was at work, and I would sit there for 4 or 5 hours, and they'd give me no work. So I started playing with this stuff, and 4 years later, I have a degree in technical analysis. 10,000 hours or more playing with this, and now I do it every single day for 2 hours. So check it out. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on the 1 hour. Now, I talk about the flags, right? We are oversold, and we're flagging on the 1 hour. Highly likely that Bitcoin wants to break to the upside later on today. This is going to be good for USDT pairs. It's going to be good for the whole market. Bitcoin looking very, very bullish. So here, don't do anything I do in this channel. None of this is financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor and do your own due diligence before getting into any trade or coin. But honestly, for me, right there, oversold in the stochastic, maybe it could be possibly a double bottom. Not too bad. Let's look at a smaller time frame. Oversold again on the 30-minute, looking flattened out. We're getting a bit of hidden bullish divergence here too as we get a swing down on the chart and a very sharp swing up here. Tells me that the trend could continue. We also are on the 21-day moving average, which is where we snap back. So we have to touch the 21 here on the 1 hour. So look for this to go sideways a little more until we touch it. and then boom, Bitcoin could go. Let me show you the trade that I'd be willing to take on BTC right now. Okay. Put in my long tool right here. I'd swing up. This is the measured move, which is the length of the pole. 21-day moving average. Bam. You get into Bitcoin at about 38,289 right now. It may wick even down lower. You never know. You can put your stop loss below that wick. The only thing is there's not a lot of protection for the stop loss. That's the only thing I don't like about the trade. And possibly a break to the upside about 12%, right? So you risk 2% to gain 12.35, you know, at the first measured move. Can you get back up to the next resistance? And let's see what's up there on the left. I always look left to see where price previously was to take profits, all right? And you see we might have a little trouble right here at about 41,260. And yeah, there's a little resistance right around there. And actually, this could go up a little bit to right around here. So I just go to the measured move, take it from there, see when we flag again, right? But there's your trade for Bitcoin, 15% gain, 2.3% so far, but we're going to watch it. So I project right now. This is just projection. Remember when it got up here, I made this bull flag and waited. Said it's either going to come down or come up. It went sideways. So now I can already, I was waiting for it to do one of two things. When it did the first of the second thing, I can now begin to understand that it's doing its thing. What? I blame Sulo. You see XRP Muser, man? He's up in the spot. Where is he, man? You changed my life. Jackson Kramer. Appreciate you, man. Love you. I love you too, Jackson. Let me get back into the charts here. Happy wifer, happy lifer. Yeah. Always say the most valuable asset is your mind. I say that right after that would be a good woman. Shout out to John Smith. You never looked at Tellor. We will. What are your thoughts on Koala Coin? We'll get there, man. Website domain is dragging slow, but it's there. Did it ever load? I could never get it to load. Are you steak and cake? This warms my heart. Life is full of surprises. You never know what's going to happen. It's true. It's true. Jackson Kramer, I blame Sulo. What? Website working for me, bro. Damn. Activate your VPN. I'm a caker. VPN slows down the stream. I super chatted 420 yesterday at the end with a link to pulsely.xyz. Yeah, I remember that. At the very end. I remember his past weekend was a very long time. Saturday stream was like nothing else. And the Pump Sunday, insane weekend. Yeah, it really was, man. Felipe, guys, 220 people watching, only 91 likes. Come on, people. Let's get this stream awesome. Yeah, let's get the likes up to the watchers, man. 200. Dude, I didn't even look at my stream. 233 people watching the stream. Are you kidding me? Let's get the likes up to the watchers, please. Please, that's not the lifer way. If you're a crypto lifer, let's get it moving. So, guys, to all the new people watching me, if you're new to the live stream, we got Cardano being taken by Amazon. Amazon coming out stating that they will take Cardano. They will take Ethereum and Bitcoin by the end of 2021. They will be accepting cryptocurrencies. You know how great that's going to be for me? I don't have to ever go back to fiat again for the rest of my life because I can get anything I need on Amazon. Sad to say, though. Sometimes, Amazon's not the best place. I used to do Amazon FBA, and, they would send products that I didn't send because they'd batch them all together, even though I put them all close, and I don't know. And sometimes you don't get the best quality on Amazon. I'll also put that, 14 minutes ago, Amazon to accept Bitcoin as payment by the end of 2021. Ethereum and Cardano reportedly next in line. The fourth largest company in the world is working towards accepting the bellwether cryptocurrency as a payment method. An insider claims that Amazon's cryptocurrency project is ready to roll, with Bitcoin being accepted as early as the end of this year. The move is suggested to be initiated by the founder and former CEO Bezos. Amazon to accept the most popular digital currencies. Bitcoin, baby. Bitcoin. I'm telling you right now, Amazon to accept Bitcoin. Dude, shout out to everyone here on the live stream. 231 people watching, 116 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? Please, if not for me, for my wife and kid. I do this for a living, and every time more people watch the stream, it really helps me out. Unpaid mechanic, it's time to scalp cake. If you have time, already pulled the trigger. Just need someone to tell me it's okay. All right, let's get deep into the charts and show you what I do, guys, for a living. I got a free trade for Bitcoin, but you're going to have to watch it. Again, don't do anything I do on this channel. None of this is financial advice. I have to say this for the bloodsucking lawyers. All right? It is what it is. All right? I'll remember this past weekend for a very long time. Saturday's stream was like nothing else. And the Pump Sunday, insane. It really was, man. It was absolutely insane. Nice, I'll find you a like for finding facts. 100%, 100x leverage trade gone for FXTX. New Binance users gone. Limit is 20x, I see. Yeah. Don't use 100x leverage, man. That's crazy. People watching, only 91 likes. Come on. Yeah, we used to get more likes in the bathroom. 123 likes. But guys, I know you guys can do it. I know you guys can do it. Okay, moving forward. The trades that played out for the last few days. We talked about Fantom Network. Fantom booming to the upside. Fantom making a bit of a flag here too, and then breaking to the upside. So look at Fantom on the 1 hour. Booming. I talked about Fantom. I told you guys accumulate Fantom. I said anytime Fantom was below 20 cents, oh my gosh, you want to buy as much Fantom as you can. I'm trying to get 10K of Fantom before it hits 30 cents. That's my goal. And I believe Fantom will go to $30 a coin within 2 years, and you will make $1 million off $10,000. And I can teach you that's wealth management, slowly getting in. And I'm not saying it's guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed. But that's my plan. And I'll show you my plan. And either I'm going to crash and burn or become a multi-millionaire, like hundreds of millions of dollars. Very possible you could make over $100 million if you start getting into cryptocurrency now. You invest over a few hundred grand right now, you could become over $100 million. People don't believe that. I'm telling you right now. You could 100x 100K. You 100x 100K, I mean, you're talking some serious wealth. 10 mil. And so if you can 100x 400K, you can make 40 mil. And these things are possible. I heard AMP News, Amazon Marketplace. FTM looks good in the daily, broke resistance. It did, yeah. AMP is on. It's speculation. AMP is a great project either way. I believe you, bro. 100K. 100K. Yeah. Can you look at VeChain? Thanks. Yeah, hold on. Now we're getting into the super chats, but hold on. Let me get through these super chats first. Can you look over Lattice Token? Yep. All right, here we go. Just bring these out so I can see them. I'll just keep them here. Okay, thanks for all the calls on the weekend. Appreciate you, Jason. Hey, Lifer, can you check RSR USDT? And if it's a good trade and good for today. Let's take a look at RSR for you. Fantom booming to the upside. I think it has more to go. Watch Fantom get up to about 26 cents. Let's take a look at RSR USDT. I still got to finish Bitcoin. Okay, so yeah, it is getting, going up to the upside while the RSI is going to the downside. That's extremely bullish. That's basically hidden bullish divergence in a sense too. Here you have swing down to swing down, but you have swing up to swing up. Another little tiny bit of hidden bullish divergence as well. Let's take a look at the daily though. Is the daily overbought? Daily is extremely extended, and it's at resistance. So it's telling you that it's probably going to come back down to some type of daily support. So the RSR, look, beautiful double bottom. Also, it kind of made it hit the target of the double bottom. The target with the Boston accent there. Hit the target of the double bottom. Bam, bam. So look at this. Look what we see here for BTC. Trying to hit this level. Can't seem to get above this level at about 3264, right? And it got rejected previous high. For RSR. Many times it gets rejected by the previous high. So RSR gets rejected by the previous high, and that tells me, you know what? I would be taking profits. I really would. Now, if it breaks above it, then I'd wait for the retest of the same area. So, if it breaks back above it, I'd wait for it to come back down for support, and that's where I would get in. So I'd be comfortable getting out right now on RSR, honestly. Yeah, the 1 hour looks good and everything looks fresh. There may be a scalp happening. Just that daily time frame says you've had enough, right? And it needs to come back down to support. And it could gap. There's a few places it could go. If it goes down to here, this is where you want a level to hold, right about there. Or if it doesn't hold that, highly likely it comes down one more time to the downside. Huge pump for it too. Usually after a huge pump like that, you're gonna see a bit of a retracement, right? But again, look, weekly is very low. So no matter what we do up and down, for the most part, remember, these were the times to get into these coins when the weekly was extremely low. Like you had your chance to accumulate these on the extra. While they told you everything was going to go to the downside and everyone got bearish on you, what I told you guys was to dollar cost average into projects that you liked over and over and over again, because that's how I did what I did that's how I got where I am. Simple. Like I dollar cost average into Bitcoin for 4 years straight. I put every single penny I had into it. Like, I'd have 10K in my bank account. I'd empty it down to 2K. Bitcoin. When Bitcoin's at 3K, buy 3 Bitcoins. You know what I'm saying? Just continuously buy Bitcoin over and over again To my family and friends that I had an obsession, they thought I was insane. And I said, guys, you're insane. Don't you realize it is the scarcest asset in the world? And eventually it's going to be the hardest money that you've ever seen. And everyone's going to want it. I said every bank, every institution, every single financial, they're going to need Bitcoin on the rap sheet. I said it's going to take over every asset in the world. It's going to become a black hole. It's going to eat through bonds. It's going to eat through treasuries. Bitcoin. Right now, real estate people don't want to play in real estate because they're like, cryptocurrency makes you way more returns. I have to do so much more to make those returns. Cryptocurrency beats out regular investments. You know, Lover, can you check out RSR and if it's a good trade for the day? So right now, I mean, it's looking all right, and it should pump to the upside. I think it might get us. I think I see your scalp. I think you might get a scalp out of it. I just wanted to show you the idea of the longer idea of what could happen. You're not too bad because you could have a stop loss here, 11%. Honestly, you'd have to put the stop right around here, 1-to-1. It's not my trade. I think it may go to the upside. It's not my trade right now, but possibly could pump to the upside. Yeah, I think you've got a scalp going. 12% scalp, 4% risk. You know, to be safe, you might have to come down to this lower, and then you're not. See, I like a 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio. I'm just not getting it out of RSR right now, and I know that daily's really high. So that's why I would suggest to be careful, okay? Okay, just because I'm blessed. Can you look at Lattice Token? Let's take up my baby LTX. I've been honing in on Lattice. I'm waiting. I haven't made my buy yet, but I'm honing in on exactly when I want to kind of get into Lattice. Sometimes it takes me 6-7 days to get into a trade. I watch it very, very closely. So look, this trade broke to the upside, and it did play out, right? It was in a pennant. It hit off support. I said highly likely to break up off support. We broke out. Let's see how much you got on Lattice Token on the move. 16% gains, not bad. Coming back down, and now it's doing the same thing, kind of hitting another level of support and resistance. Another SR flip. So I gave you the strong support, right? It came up here, got rejected, came back down, bounced off support, break back to the upside. That's why I longed there. Also, it was in the end of a falling wedge. Also, we had hidden bullish divergence, like I talked about with Bitcoin. Same idea, swing up to swing up, swing down to swing down. What happened? Boom. See the explosive move? You could see this explosive move for BTC. Same idea. Look, the little dip on the left, the King's movement with the uptrend line, breaks down, and then boom. So, and that's, you know, I'm showing you, you guys can equate this to the BTC what we're in right now. They're not perfect, but it's pretty similar. All right? And then it has the hidden bullish, and we blasted the upside. So, highly likely that Bitcoin's back over 42K, up and ranging towards 50K within 2 to 3 weeks. Based on this idea, right? Not off any mojo crazy stuff I'm drinking, just based off mathematical fundamentals on the charts, you know, things that I'm seeing that are highly likely to play out. So just something to think about, guys. You know, just something to think about. So let me see what's going on now. I mean, now I'm just gonna delete all this work now. I start fresh again. That's what I do. Like the trade made it. We figured it out. I get rid of this stuff. And I start fresh. It's just it's the way I have to do it. It's kind of an obsession. So check it out. First off, I talk about cup and handles all the time. Is it time to just buy handles and let them fly? It's looking like it's getting to that point, especially for Lattice Token. And now we're going to start posting bigger gains. Once I see a change in trend and we can establish a fat trend, I'm telling you right now, you'll stop seeing me scalp on the 1 hour as much. I'll be getting into weekly, you know, daily holds, and that's when you start making big money, you know, swinging it, and those are my favorite types of trades personally. So look, this is a cup and handle with a big break to the upside, has a giant target, just getting started too, and so far so good. It's doing exactly what we planned out for Lattice, LTX, right? We also went over this on the weekly screen share. Every Wednesday at 6 p.m., we get together, me and the lifers, we do a weekly screen share. So if you pay $99 a month, you join my trading group, right? Where I give you every call on everything that I'm doing, right? You get into the group. And then on top of that, I also give you so many calls all the time, man. And I also have analysts working for me. I also have a beginners and expert room. And that's like and I also do tutoring for $100 an hour. So most people take one tutoring, then they jump into the beginner's room where people just ask them, you know, where's your divergence? Did you do this? You know, Binance chart at Binance. People asking stuff. Manipulation. Welcome to crypto. It's funny. And see, look, he's like, and told you you had a control point daily channel, so you exit in profit still. Great, man. Thought you got liquidated and people are going over ideas, strategies. You know, is this what you think? Is this could be possible? And look, I posted this morning. So many active people in here helping people all the time. They shorted, they liquidated $100 million in 10 minutes. Unbelievable. But this is the Crypto Life for beginners and experts room, and this is where you can ask anything. Hey, I can't get my MetaMask attached. I can't do this. And that room is an amazing resource for all my crypto lifers. Truly appreciate each and every one of you for coming on in. And that's something you get, man. Thanks for me and the Star family. They appreciated it. Love them, man. I'll let their chart. Okay. So we're going to move forward here. We're going to finish with Lattice Token. I'm also going to give you a gem, so stay tuned. I'm going to give you a little cool gem, an idea that I got for trading later on, and a cool trick that I have, something that I want to show you that may tell us why Bitcoin may be bullish. So if you want to stay towards the end, I got a little trick, something that you may want to stay towards the end, how to find out if Bitcoin is bullish or bearish, and an easy way to find out with one indicator that could change the way you look at the market. So if that excites you, if that's something you like, stay tuned to the end of the live stream. I'm going to give you guys that. Always some cool little gems and cool little tricks that I've picked up along the way. And I like to give them to you, but I want to make you wait and watch the live stream. So that's my little trick. You give me some more value of your time, and I give you some more value, some little gems sprinkled on in. Shout out to all the people on the live stream. 232 people, 140 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? I would really, really appreciate it. Thank you very, very much. Appreciate it. Okay. Don't forget VeChain. I'm not going to forget it. I got all the super chats loaded right here next to me. I'm looking at them. Do not worry. Do not worry. I got you. I got you. No, I don't want that to be done. Done with fiat. Leak for a second. Okay, so look, cup and handles break to the upside. I can see Lattice Token at $1.91. It's sitting at $1 right now. Highly likely to play up to the upside. What else is another reason that I like? Well, look at this. And I talk about always playing the fundamentals, right? We had an inverted head and shoulder right here. Inverted head and shoulders break to the upside. Shoulder, head, shoulder, broke to the upside. Where does it break? Take the neckline all the way down to the head. That's going to give you your measured move. Swing that over. Look, I can't, that's insane. How does that happen? And it did, right? Then it made a flag, popped out of the flag, came back, and it hit off. Now it's dealing with support and resistance. So this is how I make my support and resistance lines, right? And I start kind of figuring it out as it goes. We gave you this trade for Lattice Token when it was in this pennant. Boom. Came back down. And you can believe this is just the handle of the cup and handle. See how we break it down? We give you the bigger picture. We give you the smaller picture. Show you what's happening all the time throughout the market, man. And so now what you're looking for is support and resistance lines that matter, that make sense. And like right here is one. Look, resistance, bounce. Okay? So we know now that is strong support. So if we drop, we shouldn't even be able to drop that much lower than that. So when you take your risk, you're like, okay, well, what's my risk? And you're like, well, what's my support reason? Like, where would I have to get out if we broke? 10% stop loss. So not too bad, right? You put $2,000 in here, you put $5,000 in here, and then you hold it, let it rock, right? Turns into 10K in the next couple weeks as this breaks out of the cup and handle, or you just get stopped out for, $500. I mean, it's a pretty good risk to reward ratio, 10 to 1. So I'd like to make sure that it hits off support and resistance regions. 1 hour is oversold right now, and it's making a bit of a flag. So flag, falling wedge, touching the 200-day moving average, which is a good sign. 21, actually, it needs to touch the white line, the 21-day moving average. That's where price likes to have fun. What I mean is, look, whenever we moved and we got high, snap back to the 21, snap back to the 21, snap back to the 21. So whenever I see a high, I know I'm not getting back in until we touch the 21-day moving average. Okay. Also, you could pull a mini fib here and see what's going on, but watch how interesting this is. 0.5 Fibonacci level, bounce, right? It could come down to the 618 and then bounce off previous support. So watch that too. That could be an idea. All right. Watch the 618 Fibby. You could even put a limit order there and see if you get lucky. Right? 90, where is it? It's at about 90. It's about 99.20, 99.20, all right? Okay, someone asked for Tell, right? I want to finish Bitcoin as well. I've misplaced the chat again, like oh man. I need someone to run the show, so I'm gonna get an intern soon, man. Bitcoin currency stream intern. Learn how to trade, right? Okay, can you guys open a KuCoin account in Texas? Yes, there are different exchanges. Just say you don't live in Texas, man. Just say you live somewhere else. KuCoin doesn't require KYC or a VPN. Just you can't say you live where, you know. Love this track. What is it? No idea. Y'all make sure to check out Pulse Chain, the new ETH fork, with all your ERC20s cloned, airdropped as PRC20s. How social credit score system affect crypto? Banking will be tied to your scores. You never know. Ask yourself, did you hit the like button? Well, did you? Appreciate it. Thank you very much for saying that. Rodney Robinson, my admin's up on you every single day. Please hit the like button, guys. All right? Don't forget to do your own research token giveaway. Ends in 30 minutes on TikTok. 3 winners of $100 and do your own research. So, guys, right now they're doing a giveaway for do your own research token. Guys, send me a link to that, to my Telegram right now. One of you guys hit me up on Telegram. I'll post the link right now and show everyone so they can see it. Send me the link. Crypto_lifer. I'll look at my personals and I'll wait. Jeremy, whoever can, hit me up. All right? Okay. Crypto Fear and Index not doing too bad too as well. Moving forward with BTC. All right. Excellent. Look how fast they responded, man. My team's on point. Dragging right now, though. All right. Trading view bugging out because everyone's trying to trade right now. I'm going to get crypto bubbles out. I think it takes, I don't know, it might take some bandwidth for whatever reason. Amazon to accept Bitcoin as payment. Ethereum and Cardano reportedly next in line, baby. You know Cardano is going to be a worldwide payment network, man. Then we got bundles. We went over bundles real quick. Dude, maybe I have a VPN on. No? Okay, moving forward. I want to show you this. I got a lot of people on the live stream. I don't want to show them what a Crypto Lifer live stream is, man. Might have to change it up. You know what, man? We might have to change it up real quick. Hold up. I think we're going to go back to the old way. Get the adrenaline pumping, man, because, you know, it's a bullish day. Things are good. We just came after one of the biggest pumps in Bitcoin in ever, man. Ever. Yeah. Biggest Bitcoin pumps we ever had. And what an amazing pump it was. Pump to the upside like boom, ba-boom, boom. I still think I just can't believe what happened this weekend. Absolutely insanity. Absolute insanity. Yeah, I don't know why websites are loading so much right now. I'm having issues with websites loading. I might have to, maybe I have to take off my shield, man. My Brave browser. Here's the Brave browser, guys. Shields me all the time from ads, so I don't have to see ads, don't have to deal with ads. But you know what? We'll see. You know, I'll get out of these. I got so many sites open. Let me slow it down here. We got the Fear and Greed Index. We got LTX. All right. So I like this trade though. Look for the 618 or possibly a bounce on here. I'm looking out for this trade. Cup and handle hasn't broke all the way up yet. Bro, look at SPX, please. Pump it. Here we go. Rodney Robinson. Let's get back into the chat. Took me a second. There are different exchanges you can use. Missing 100 likes. I know. This might be the best chat. Not spam at all. Everyone is helpful. Is that crypto life? I'm down. Good. Shout out to David Curtis. Just the guys in Texas are having trouble. Ask yourself, did you hit the like button? If you did, why not? Tellor news was bound to happen. Everyone knew. It means XRP lawsuit is going to an end. How will social credit score? Yeah, you'll make sure to check Pulse Chain. Don't forget, do your own research token giveaway in 30 minutes on TikTok. 3 winners of $100 and do your own research each. So guys, they're going to give away on TikTok. Okay? They're going to do a giveaway. I can't seem to load certain, I don't know what's going on today with my my internet. It's not loading certain sites. Never seemed to happen to me before. Look, I'm getting this. Like, what is that? Your connection to the site is not secure. You should not enter any serious info. Okay. It's just really weird. Look. Doesn't want me to go to TikTok, like, which is crazy, right? No idea what's going on there. Here you go. And look, I'll post this link right now in my description of my video, guys. Check it out. I'm going to post a link in the description of the video. I'll also post it here in the comment section. Get to that link right there. This is going to be a giveaway. I mean, they're giving away $100. I mean, if you know, and then you have $100 of do your own research token, and it's got a very small market cap. I could turn it into $1,000. Just let it rock. So, oh, that's loud. That's loud. Wow, that was way too loud. Ouch. Let me bring this down for a second. It's still really loud, guys. That's a little loud. Nice little melodic music like this could be cool too. Look, see how this works? But look, giveaway time. 3 winners receive $100 and do your own research each. Like, comment, follow. Winners announced on Monday, guys. So do it, man. Jump on in there. There's the link in the description or in the comments, and jump on in there. Okay, link in the comments. All right, link in the comments. We've seen this twice: short pump and then a 6-month bear market for the shakers. Alien MS. That's what you think happens. It's possible. You never know. I'm not saying it's not. That's why we take it day by day. But I won't say it's going to drop. I'll say, hey, we're going to watch it, and we'll see what happens from here. You know, we've seen this twice: short pump and a 6-month bear market for the shakers. Rob likes to punt. Ooh, Tree City West. Yeah, I guess he does, man. Woo. Send them super chats, and Lifer will look at Brittany's coin even. Just saying, people, right? Here we go. No idea. ADL PayPal news seems it's coming soon. Okay. Bitcoin price prediction for the year, 30,000. Yeah, I think it could be, you know, who knows, $100 million. You think cyber scandemic is coming? It's possible. I think they are. Yeah, the blackout, all that. Yeah, let's not talk about it, though. I'm wary now of anything. I don't want to see a damn thing on this channel. I'm just, YouTube, I love you. YouTube, I love you. Thank you, YouTube, I love you. I am a servant now. I realize they put me in my place, man. It's crazy, right? I thought the lifer was free, you know? So we're going to have to be free one day, completely free. We're free as we can be, right? We're free as we can be. SPX, new all-time high. Yes, ADA, please. All right, guys. It's time to scalp cake. Is it time? Already pulled the trigger. Just need someone to tell me if it's okay. We'll take a look at that cake idea. What's up? Long-term price prediction on Tellor, TRB. Let's take a look at TRB. Shout out to the Hoover family. Thank you very much for your donation. Super chat. It's not even a donation, actually. It's a super chat. It's pay to play. I'll go over something for you. You know, you pay for the awesome news. Oh my gosh. And it could be, you know, worldwide, something was going down with the internet recently too, right? Jay-Z not coming yet. Get rejected and use the sister's address in Cali. Wow, people in the Patreon. Wow. Yes, Ada, please. Please, Ada. Just send in a super chat, man. It helps, man. Look at this, guys. I try to keep up with the chat, and it comes in. Look at this. A super chat pops out like that, like really nicely. Can we look at VeChain? See? So I'm going to do my 2 Satoshis. I'm going to look at that. I'm also look at Tellor. Okay? Sites crashing all around. Do not know why. I do have like 100 windows open. I'm going to start closing them down. Follow me at Twitter at CryptoLifer33. I'd really appreciate it. Jump on in there. Show me what you got. All right. I talk about a bunch of stuff. Always promote my peoples. Right. And showing you what's going on. 1,852 people follow me. Get that up to 2K. I'd really, really appreciate it. Okay. I can't stand that you do this to me every time, baby. I got just too much stuff going on right now. Hold on. Okay. Of course, the show usually runs super smooth and super fast. Now I got a bunch of people watching me when I need to bust it out and be perfect. And I got TradingView acting up right now on me, which is funky, right? So TradingView acting funky, man. Now, which I never thought about that, right? That never hit me as an idea, as a problem, right? Okay. We'll just quit the Brave browser and start it over, I guess. I got the stream up. I don't know what's going on right now. All right. We're going to start back again here and see what's going on. See a lot of spinning just everywhere, just spinning. It's just weird. Getting a lot of spinning. Could the internet be down everywhere? We getting one of those days, is it McAfee contingency plan going on? You know? Of course, I got the most people watching. It's funny. Bear with me, guys. Got the music off. Well, we're going to keep it moving as we do every single day. Guys, I could even just tell you what's going on. KuCoin coins are starting to blow up. A lot of different coins. NFTs are starting to blow up. You want to write down Alice token. Alice token, keep that in your mind. Alice is a big coin, right? Don't forget about Alice. Alice could do big, big things. So, yeah, TradingView is down. Look at down detector. More than 60% your strike is pretty good, brother. More than 60%. Your strike is pretty good, brother. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, I think it is more than 60. I think you're right. 110% right. Definitely. Okay. Okay. All right. CoinTrader Pro. We move on really fast here, and it's all good. Doesn't matter, right? CoinTrader Pro. Get out of here. Get out of here. Interesting. Page unresponsive. Interesting. PooCoin's working. Or it was. Likes, everybody. Don't want to be left behind on this bull run. So hit that like so far. Lifer can give you all the banger trade of the day every stream. Shout out to Jay-Z, man. Appreciate you, man. Thank you very much. Appreciate you more than you would ever know. Thanks to everyone coming in on the live. Appreciate you guys. Something's happening right now. The internet seems to be just funky. Everyone else having problems with the internet? Let me know. That's why it's lags. That's why it's so lags. BTC pump. This is so serious. This is some serious bullish. You hit that lifer button, everyone. I'll bear with you and bull with you. Yo, hit that like button. Like, get those likes up to the watchers. I'll bear with you and bull with you. Yeah, 213 people watching, 167 likes. Usually we get way more likes and we have less people. And I know we can get it up to the upside. Let's pump it up. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Amazon will take Cardano, Bitcoin, live trades every day. Bitcoin cryptocurrency technical analysis. We're going to go through it. We're going to go through it every single day. I don't know what's happening, though. My trading website won't work. Something's wrong. Right? Something is wrong. Brave needs to be updated. I don't know what's going down. Some funkiness going down. Also had the most watchers ever, and we finally breached 200 again solidly and held it very, very well. Very, very well. So for all the new people coming on in, thank you very much for coming on in. I do tutoring. I just want to let you know I do tutoring, one-on-one tutoring. Teach you how to find all these patterns. Teach you how to find divergences. I'll give you a way to do it and break it down. Yeah, so this is just like nothing is working right now for me. It's like yesterday. Try Chrome. Nobody knows for sure, but we shall. We smash them shorts. I got Chrome, but I don't got logins to Chrome. You know, Chrome was even acting funny earlier. It all started with that other site, right? Maybe they're attached to the same servers. TikTok seems to be loading fine. Uniswap is loading fine. Dex Guru's loading all right. Seems to be, or was for a second. There you go. Interesting. Very interesting. It's like yesterday, I swear, Bitcoin explode. And how far can Bitcoin go based on the current fundamentals? Be gone, shorters. Remember, Lifer is only part bought. He's still mostly human. It's all good, brother. We are ride until we die. No, I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Yeah. 219 people on the live stream, man. Love y'all, man. This is insane. This has never happened, though. Like, this is crazy. Like, we pump the live stream. It moves at the speed of light. We go through so many different trades. Go look at my last live streams. TradingView has never kind of bogged down on us. In the whole year I've done it. It's been slow a few times, but not like this. Not like this, you know. And we're still getting retention, which is insane. So I appreciate each and every one of you for hitting that like button and keeping it moving with the Crypto Lifer. So, guys, I'll give you strategy right now, too. While we're waiting on these things to kind of fall through, I'll give you good information. Strategy and how to make it in the cryptocurrency space. How did I make most of my money in the cryptocurrency space? Or how did I become successful in cryptocurrency? It was dollar cost averaging. I would work really hard and just simply put small amounts of money into the trades over and over again. For instance, like Basic Attention Token. I think it's a great project. Around 20 cents, 19 cents, 25 cents. I just kept buying it until next thing you know, I had a pretty big bag of it. And a lot of these things are bags I'm going to hold for a good 2, 3, 4, 5 years. What happens is you get good at saving. And then every coin to me was just another savings. So I'd find another coin and save into it and save into it and save into it. Next thing you know, I was obsessive with saving. I saved every penny. Like if I saw 1,500, that was $1,200 in Basic Attention Token, or $300 in Bitcoin, $200 in Litecoin. Like I just saw every time I saw a dollar, I saw it as a way to hodl a coin or to get into a coin or to trade. Then I learned how to trade, how to make money throughout the day, how to day trade, swing trade, long-term hold, mid-term. Most money I've ever made on long-term holds, right? They've outpaced all my other intraday trading and my intra-week trading. Nothing beats that. I'm telling you right now, that will bring you to the pinnacle, and you'll hit the top for sure with that type of trading. And now that type of trading, long-term, like just dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin slowly. I told my neighbor today, $100 a week, $200 here and there. You don't have to be a big shot. Next thing you know, it turns into a nest egg that you can have for a long time. My mother just put $2,500 into Bitcoin at 11,000, right? She's still sitting on about like 7K, right? If you do the math, $7,500. She's 3x her money, and and if we get back to 60K, right? I mean, then she's going to 6x her money, and the $2,500 is going to be about 16K. So, I mean, that's the power of dollar cost averaging. Anything is possible when you dollar cost average. Who knows? Corrections are always in order. It's possible. This is a B wave in the Elliott theory, means a correction is in order. See this guy? I don't like listening to them, but I believe there's going to be a correction. We're going to go back down to 32, 35, 30, something in there. I got that problem too sometimes. Look at JC's comment. Maybe it works at Crypto Lifer. Search TradingView on Google and click the link. Sometimes I have this issue. Okay, cool. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Never happened to me, though. I don't even think Google's loading right now for me. That's the problem. I think there's like an outage in my area as I can't spell Google. Just got to slow down. I mean, if Google won't load, like Google won't load. Like this is weird. How am I even live streaming right now, right? You know what I'm saying? Can you look at over Lattice Token? We'll take a look at that. This slows down everything for me because I can't get the super chats in. TradingView all good, page unresponsive. You can wait to become responsive or exit the page. Exit the page. Very strange. Is it an attack on me right now? Very, very weird. Very weird. Okay. I didn't install updates, they holding me down because I didn't install an update. That's what I'm wondering, Anyway, let me just get out of Brave completely. Can you reset it? Looks like Brave's having an issue, right? It's the Brave browser, in my opinion. Right-click the toolbar at the bottom. Click Task Manager. Yup. End task. Thank you. Appreciate that. Hopefully this kind of gets it back into space. There we go. Thank you very much. All right, we're ready to rock. Sorry about that. Sometimes you just got to reset your browser, man. It got functified by something we were doing. You know, who knows what it was. Seemed to start with Pornstar Finance, which I don't know why, but let's go back. Now I want to show you the Pornstar Finance site because, you know, I want to give them their shine, man. I'm going to give them their shine. All right, let's get the music pumping. Let's get it back and moving, guys. Now my energy's back. I am off. I am back on. The technical difficulties are out of the way, and we can move forward with the show. So sorry about that, and I apologize. We lost a bunch of watchers, too. I was doing great with 250 watchers. I just can't stress, man. I got to be positive at all times. Thank you for everyone coming on in, and now we're going to keep the show moving. Super chats come on in. Someone sending me a super chat just to keep me moving. I need a super chat just to get me blasted up, like, you know. Honestly, man, I need to change the whole lighting in here. I'm not a fan of it. Really not a 100% fan of it. I feel like I don't look like that. I look better than that. I look better than this, man. I look better than this. I don't like the way the lighting looks. Anyway, thanks for the FET call, Lifer. Target hit, 40% gain. Another win for the fam. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, man. Thank you very much for saying that. Let's take a look at FET, USDT, on this idea here. Thank you so much for the task manager. Yeah, Jay-Z, you just helped me out so much, man. Good lifer, good morning. Shout out to Jorge Gomez. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Never happened, too. And I got new people watching me, and it never happens. Tell you what right now. Royalty, yeah. All right. Here we go. I'm going to play my favorite song. Get me back in my jam. Back in the move. Back in the grind. Here we go, baby. Here we go. +1 for Cake. So look at FET banging him, right? Target hit. Nailed it. FET. Another beautiful trade. Another beautiful one that went right basically to the target. And I always try to go a little lower than the target to get out. And look, it went up even more. So shout out to anyone that took my call for FET. Boom to the upside exactly as planned. We nailed it. Congratulations on the FET call. Bam, bam, bam. And it had the mainnet coming up. Run up into the mainnet. And I kept saying, don't forget FET. Look at this. This is how much I wanted everyone to take FET. All my lifers should have taken the FET call. If you go up here and you want to search my exclusive calls and charts only, this is where you can get all my exclusive calls and charts for $100. Dude, for $100, you would have made the $100 in the FET call alone. See what I'm saying? And again, none of this is financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor and do your own due diligence before getting into any trade. But look, possible FET scalp here. This is why I bought up FET. FET. Watch FET this month. FET mainnet coming. Congrats on FET. I mean, you know, it just went over the target even. Theta. The Theta, I mean, so many calls, man. And they continue to blow up to the upside. Thank you so much, guys, for taking the calls. Thanks for the stream, Lifer. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. We got the music pumping now. Let's get it moving. You can get up in your seat and dance. Let's dance for 2 seconds. Woo! Yeah, baby. All right. They can't stop us. They can't stop the energy. They can't stop the vibes. I'm here every single day, man. Bringing it to you live, man. Bringing it to you live trades every single day. Cryptocurrency, I love you, baby. Let's get back into Bitcoin. Let's get back into these charts. Send me some super chats. I'm going to bust out the comment section. I just got the fire back. I got my legs back, baby. Stella got her groove back, baby. Stella got her groove back. Ooh-wee. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate you. Lifer, don't listen to Orbital in your younger days. No, I never heard of it. Thanks for the stream, Lifer. Or a few years, we all gonna party together on Lifer's yacht. Oh, we're gonna be in a big-ass yacht, man. East or West Crypto Lifer is the best. Discover he's not going for trading. Yeah, you don't want to do that. I got 200% on the Bitcoin long on the pump, so I'm not complaining, but it's nice to be wary after a pump like that. Definitely be wary. We always come back after a pump. Always come back after a pump like that. Right-click the toolbar on the bottom of the task manager. Thank you so much. JC, write about something at least. No problem. JK, man. You guys are funny, man. Yo, sorry I'm late. Hey, produce the beats, man. I'm still here. Shout out to Jeremy Williams. Shout out to everyone. Guys, do your own research. Has an awesome giveaway right now. In the comment section, I'll post it again. Awesome giveaway by Do Your Own Research. DYOR info. Check them out. Check out their TikTok. Okay? Check out their TikTok. Tree City West posted it to me. Bam. Right here. That is, you gotta change that. You gotta change that. You gotta change that. That hurt. It's the audio is off. It hurts people's ears. Sorry about that. But yeah. Make it something like this. This would even be better. This song would be way better. People feel good. They make good music. Someone might just close the channel right away when they hear that. You know what I'm saying? And they won't even see it. You don't want to scare people off with a noise like that. Just my opinion. You know what I'm saying? Sorry. I should just keep my mouth shut, I know, but I never can. Okay, we'll take a look at BTC right now. What is it doing? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Still flagging out. It's about to probably break to the upside. Highly likely this breaks to the upside. Bitcoin flagging out. Or does it do a Bart Simpson pattern? I don't know. Oversold here on the 1 hour. And it's a little spicy on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour. Like the 4 hour would tell you to short right now or get ready for a short, or just, that's why you just got to watch the 1 hour. There's nothing else you can do but watch this flag play out. Highly likely the 30-minute scalp coming though. Look at that. You can play BTC up for a 30-minute scalp. Same idea, same concept, right? I'm going to play Bitcoin on a 30-minute scalp here. Couple racks. 10, I'll put 3K at 3x leverage. I use the Bitcoin up trade, which is 3x leverage. So BTC up is going to be my trade here. I'm going to scalp it. Cowabunga, dude. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate you coming on in. This is the wildest, wackiest, craziest, most energetic stream you've ever been to. But it's also the most informative. I'm always trying to teach, always trying to make you learn. Because you know what I know? I lost my life a few times. I went through a glass door. My hand got sliced right there near my main artery. I was bleeding out you wouldn't believe it. And I thought I was gone. I ran into the emergency room screaming, I'm going to die. I'm going to die. I'm going to die. And, yeah. And, yeah, that's it. I mean, that's what happened. And I'm still here. And I also, left my body a few other times. That's for another story, another live stream. But, yeah. So I just want to break that down for you guys. And so once I lost my life, why am I saying that? Well, once I lost my life, I realized time is so valuable. And I don't want to waste your guys' time. And so when it comes to time, I want to make sure that, I don't waste your time when you come to my live stream. So I want to fill it with information. I want to help you learn. But I also want to keep you entertained and make sure you're having fun and keep you in a good mood. And I want to change your perspective on life and make you realize that you can break out of your 9 to 5. You can change the current situation you're in. And you can end up somewhere else in life. And it happened to me. It can happen to anybody. Yeah, you just got to push for it. You got to believe and you got to imagine. It all starts with the imagination. Don't let anyone make you too old. The younger you are in your mind, the more your imagination begins to... Remember your imagination as a child, right? Your imagination was strong as a child, okay? And look at this, just like constant, everything I'm in is up. I got a 5K MATIC trade, MATIC booming, right? Entered MATIC for 5,000. I got Fantom. All these are the Fantom buys that I won from making trades. See, these are all my scalps that I got to buy Fantom with. Every single one of them is up now too. So the scalps turned into more money. You get it? So the money that you make turned into more money. This is how you compound gains. You take a profit into a profit into a profit. Okay? And there's BTC up. Always starts you down quick because it's such a shady leverage token. But I'm ready to play it. I'm ready to go. And I'm also scalping Mana right now for about $2,000. We'll go from there. Okay. Trades of the day. And I'm also, trades of the day. But I like a Bitcoin up scalp right now. Booming to the upside. Highly likely. Pointing to the upside on the 30-minute. We'll see what happens. But I'm going to play these Stokes in this point. I'm going to play also the hidden bullish divergence. And we'll see what goes on here. But I like what we're in. We're in this bit of a flag as well. I'll play the flag, baby. I once crawled out of a mountain, bro, and had to learn to walk again. Took 2 years, and all is good now. That's insane. That's insane. Stories like that, I love stories like that. Keep it moving. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thanks for the stream, lifers. Shout out to everyone here, man. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me. We have 218 people watching. How many people watching the live now right now? 188 likes. 218 people watching. Can we get the likes up to the watchers, please? I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. Algorithm starting to respect the 11K. I think we're going to get an onslaught soon when this market booms up, man. You didn't do take profit stop loss. Yeah, I'm going to watch it manually. To be dead honest with you, I'm watching it manually. And the reason I am watching it manually is because it's these tokens fly around like that. Only do that if you're highly experienced and you know what you're doing. And I'm going to be able to watch the trade throughout the day. So I'm going to be on it. If you can't do that, then you can't watch it, you know. The reason is they come times and grab your liquidity. I've seen them do it to me many times. So I don't like to be on the order book at all if I don't have to be in this type of scalp trade. But again, don't do what I'm doing until you are highly experienced and you know what you're doing. Most of the time, if it's a swing trade, I'm putting in a stop loss and take profit every single time. You bet your bottom dollar. With the up token, I'm weary of the up token. Okay, very weary of the up token. Okay. All right, let's get back to the super chats. Let's see what's going on. You know what? DJing Progressive House for more than 10 years. I really appreciate your track list. Shout out to Jorge Gomez. Appreciate you, man. Thank you very much. Okay, so Tellor. $1 for cake. Okay, let's look at cake. Let's look at Tellor. TRB. All right, now I'm ready for the super chats, guys. All your super chats, bring them in for the next half an hour. I'll hit up. It'll be fast super chat day. We'll just nail the super chats. We'll run them through them. So this is your time. Let me know. I'm on fire right now. I'll look right at the super chat. I'll get it done. It's the focus now. It's the focus now. All right, TRB looking pretty nice too. It's forming a beautiful, I like it. I like what it's about to do. Forming a pennant. It's going to follow Bitcoin. Bitcoin pumps. All these coins are going to follow Bitcoin to the upside. So you want to make sure you have some capital in these gains because if we get a pump to the upside, it's going to take the USDT pairs all the way to the up and up. Okay. MATIC printing money, baby. So there's my idea for TRV. It's the same. It's basically the same call. All right. You could wait for it to come back down. I look at the smaller time frames, 15-minute, 30-minute. Yeah, so these want to come back down. Tells you that this trade might want to come down here somewhere. Come back to the bottom trend line when these reset. That would be my opening. So I'd wait for a red candle here or something to come to the bottom. Once that happens, wait for the wick. Jump on in. It would be really nice. You wouldn't only have to put a very small stop loss. And then hold tight to the target. I mean, that's a beautiful trade for TRB if it plays out like that. So that's how I would set it. How do I do that? I go to like the 30-minute and I put like, I'll put a target here, right click it. And that's an alert. That alert will go off when the price hits that section. I also do it here on the 15-minute. So boom. Yeah, so I want on the 15-minute. I want this alert to tap right there, okay? And that's when I would get into TRB. So I'm going to project the idea of the trade. You could also just put a limit order in at 35.96. Hope you catch it, but you never know. What if Bitcoin dumps, the whole market dumps, and then you don't have, so you just got to watch it closely, okay? You got to watch it closely. Okay, moving forward. The divergence looks good. Check that divergence. Yeah, it's all... where on what? Hold on. What is he saying? Cocos, USD cup and handle. Tasty. Okay, let's take a look at that. Check that divergence. 1 hour divergence looks good. On what, though? Whenever you say something like that, you got to say the coin in the title. I live at the bottom of one of the funniest mountains in Europe. It's amazing how much that motivated me to get better. That's crazy, man. I indeed, both on a bike and a board on my friend. That's crazy, man. I struggle with that part, resetting my strengths. Up pain mechanic, Mr. Smurfing, check that divergence on Cake Lifer. Oh, yeah. Thank you very much. Cowabunga, dude. Nice sound. You know, I was DJing Progressive House for more than 10 years. I really appreciate the, yeah. I mean, Progressive House just keeps it moving, man. I feel like you just got to keep it moving in life at all times. So there's my idea for BTC up. This thing looking sweet. Look at this. This is hidden bullish divergence like I've never, that's like the strongest. Tells me the trend will continue to the upside. Highly likely we're going to bust it up here. I'm trading a $21,000 Bitcoin trade. 7,500 at 3x leverage. Let's do it, baby. Let's go, Bitcoin. Do your best. Hawkcoin pumping back. Everything moving, man. Everyone's freaking portfolio is up, dude. I love it. I love it. Let's take a look at Cake. Cake's looking hot right now, for sure. He said, I'd like a Cake scalp. I want your blessings. Well, you do have my blessings. That looks beautiful. That's about to break to the upside. Look at that thing. That thing's deadly. It's the BUSD pair, but it's the same as the USDT pair. It don't matter. All the same. Watch Cake in a flag. So a flag on the 1 hour, but you can clearly see it's a beautiful pennant on the 15-minute. So here's a call for Cake right here live on the channel. If you're new to the channel, we give you live calls every single day. Look at that. Something like this. Booming to the upside. Cake, BUSD. Pumping. Look, risk 1.5 to gain 11. You could even be a little lower. Let this moving average come through. But look, 21 crossed the 50. Great sign. Usually price will touch the 21, so look for that touch. That would be my entry when the 21 touches. But watch Cake here. Nice move to the upside. Little scalp for Cake on the BUSD pair. You could play the USDT pair. It does not matter. They're going to play out basically exactly the same, stablecoin to stablecoin. All right? And look, if you're in my Patreon, we get these posts to you all the time. Okay. Cake scalp. I like it. I like it. I like it. Starting to move. BTC starting a bit of a move. I think we're going to get a move soon. In the next couple of minutes to an hour, I'm feeling something crazy go down. Just the market seems very, very bullish right now. Very, very bullish. We break 42K, it's a wrap. People are going to go crazy. And then everyone that waited on the sidelines, dude, FOMO is real. These bear markets create the FOMO. The people say, oh, it's 24K, 24K. You know how many people thought they were going to get 24K? I saw so many people, I'm waiting for 24K. I said, you may never get it. I said, you might want to just start dollar cost averaging in. I've been here before, man. I saw so many people wait for a price they never got. I laughed as I rode Bitcoin to the moon, and they said, damn, I woulda, coulda, shoulda. So funny, man. And it's like, yo, I was here for you every step of the way trying to tell you to get into BTC, and you just did not want to listen. I don't understand, man. People are so stubborn. It is ridiculous. They don't want to admit when they don't know something. And if you know something more than them, it's like, oh, no, I'm smarter than you. I'm like, all right. I studied gold and silver for years. Like, I studied the monetary system. Like, I spent 10 years researching finance and money. Like, another person was telling me, you want to get into anything in life, right? You better understand the history. You want to be a car salesman? You better understand the history of the car, right? Whatever it is you're selling, you better understand the history of it. I sell cryptocurrency information. I sell tutoring. I sell consulting. I know the history of money, man. I'm a financial analyst, basically, self-taught, right? And again, no, I'm not a financial analyst. For me, I'm my own financial analyst. For me, right? And look at my trade now. I have $32 on the scalp for BTCUP, starting to pump to the upside. I show you live trades every single day. This is 7,500 in a 3x leverage trade for Bitcoin. That makes it a $22,500 trade for Bitcoin. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it. Look, cup and handle for basic attention token. What happened to the cup and handle? It broke to the upside. Cup and handles, guys. Learn how to find the cup, then the handle, breakout. Cup, then the handle, breakout. Find as many cup and handles as you have. Write them down. Keep a list of them, and then go back and forth. Get a whiteboard, right? Cup and handles on the whiteboard. Type in which ones are, write down. 3 winners of the giveaway. Made you the Fiverr 555 and Lily Bean to you. Yo, that's awesome, man. I'm waiting for my limit order at 3K on Bitcoin to get filled. Yeah, it's so funny. Never going to happen. Never going to happen. 38,700. Bitcoin getting very, 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 very bullish right now. Look, it crossed on the 30 minutes, starting to push to the upside. 1 hour is about to follow. And now we're up $33 in Bitcoin. My favorite number, 33. Boom. I'm trading Bitcoin right now. Why not? I'm trading Bitcoin on that leverage, baby. Can't see the stop loss amount. Cake scalp on my phone screen. Someone hook me up. Can't see the stop loss amount. Cake, USDT. You could do this on the phone. I taught you how to do this stuff, man. Stop loss should be anywhere below 14.56, depending on your, on your risk tolerance. If you have it in you, you put the stop loss below 13.29, but that's insane to me. I don't like to do that. So below 13. Here, let me zoom in. Let me bring this real close and zoom in. Stop loss below 14.56 on the 1 hour scalp. Okay? Stop loss below 14.56 on the 1 hour scalp. Get ready. There's a pump coming. There's a pump brewing, man. I'm telling you right now, this 1 hour wants to rip to the upside. I've seen this, man. It's coming. 3 winners of the giveaway. Shout out to Rob. Appreciate that, man. Shout out to Amin Ra. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time, guys. I got a long for 29,000 going with 27x. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Bake falling wedge breaking out right now. 1 hour is ready to rock. Let's take a look at Bake USDT. There you go. And you even look at this, dude. Look at this. This is why they call me the lifer. Cup and handle, baby. You didn't see it, did you? But there it was. And there it is. Cake, bake, and a cup and handle about to blast to the upside. Who wants to get baked? Here you go. Bake booming on the 1 hour. Here's a bake trade for you. Let's dish that out to the lifers. Appreciate you, my friend. Beautiful trade. Looks very nice. High risk to high reward ratio. Everything looking good. I did not see the cup and handle. Got me on that, but I am baked, and I am in bake right now. Shout out to Mr. Smurfington, man. Appreciate to all my peoples, man. Thank you for coming on into the live stream. I love you more than you would ever know. Thank you for being here. Bam, bam, bam. Bake, USDT. Cup and handle. Ready to rock. Funny, someone DM'd me today, and they were like, I see that you do all these calls, but I only have access to KuCoin and Binance. And they're like, I'm afraid it won't be a great group. And I looked at them, I'm like, that's all we trade. I'm like, that's 90% of our trades are KuCoin and Binance, man. That's all we do. That's all we do. I was like, you're in the right spot. Crazy to know that my life depends on TradingView working. TradingView never go down. TradingView never go down. I need you. You're my tool. You're my tool for success. Unbelievable. I told you Luna might come back down, but Luna making a bit of a pump too. Watch Luna. Dude, I'm telling you right now, this whole market's looking crazy. We're going to take a look at the total market cap, and I'm going to show you where the total market cap wants to go. If that looks like it wants to go back to 1.7, 1.8, maybe even back to $2 trillion. These are breakouts right now. These are considered breakouts. You buy the breakout. I mean, you got a little bit of volume, but not too bad, but hey. You can put the stop loss back up there and ride these to the upside. There's money to be made today. There's money to be made today. Luna, scalping. And soon I'm going to break out of my scalping mentality. I want to take a look at CHR now. CHR, are you ready? Or you keep playing with me? CHR. Luna. Luna wants $10.73, and it wants it bad. Dude, look at this. I mean, they're all going to be... Like, look at this, dude. Look at them all. And look at Solana. Let me make it even more bullish for you. It's not perfect, but it's a bit of a sloppy head and shoulder pattern. Look at that. A break to the upside over the neckline. Solana wants more, baby. Solana wants more. So look at this. Solana wants more. For sure. Look at this. Basically, take your pick today. Take your pick. Which one do you feel more comfortable with? You know, you just take your pick. And, you know, if the market keeps ripping, these could be beginning. You don't have to take profit where I tell you. You could let these rip. It depends on what you do. Whatever you want to do. These are my calls, but, you know, you go through. You might just get into a trade and then you realize you want to go a different way with it. Get what I'm saying? My goal is I want to watch you fly like a bird. I want to watch you make your own trades. I want to watch you make calls like this. I want to see you guys hit the sky, baby. Hit the sky. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Man, I have 2 phones and spare batteries for my mobile. Wi-Fi in Vietnam is fun with power cuts every storm. It's rainy season until December. That's insane. You're a smart man, David. You're funny, man. How is MATIC? We'll take a look at MATIC as well. MATIC pumping. Let's take a look at my MATIC, baby. Everything's in the exact same, basically, everything's doing the exact same thing. 15-minute makes it look real nice. Look at that. I mean, look at that, dude. It's running out of room in the 15-minute. Probably wants to come back down, though. Look at this. I think this is what it wants to do. It's going to come back down a touch, 105, and I think that's going to be your entry right there on the 15-minute, 105, and then bam, and watch this reset, or maybe you just do something funky. Take a look at the 1 hour like everything else, ready to rock. So, I mean, this whole market, and that's why we're going to take a look at total, because total's going to tell us what's going to happen now. Total, we're going to look at total and total 2. What is total and total 2? They're the entire, you know, and I thought maybe we get a retrace. That's what I thought. But look, we came back down on the RSI and we went sideways. That's when you're bullish, man. That's how you know something's brewing. This is going parabolic now. This is getting kind of creepy because my wife said, you know, we're on the way to 85K this morning. And I looked at her and I was like, I don't know where she read it, where she got it. And I just was like, chill, chill, chill. But honestly, man, I didn't forget Vet. I'm going to get to it. Don't marry. I got you. Guys, send in some super chats. Keep me moving, man. I like the super chats. It's fun for me. I get to see a cool color. I get a fun sign. I'm like a little kid. You know, you rattle a little color in front of me and it makes me excited. You know what I'm saying? Excuse me. I think I just sucked in a bug. Anyway. All right, I got a messy stuff here. All right. I'll delete it all, but look at this, dude. I showed you. I just want to show you guys. Look, I predicted this. Inverted head and shoulder break to the upside. I told you to watch this. I told you these will break 68% chance. And all I did was play exactly how the TA is supposed to be played. I found the head and shoulder. One of the only YouTubers to find the head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder on total. I don't watch anyone else. I don't take any of their ideas. These are all my own ideas, man. If someone doubled up on it, it is what it is. But I made these ideas on my own. And so we got rejected by the previous high, which was right there on the candle close, which is 1.5 trillion. Makes perfect sense. 1.52. Now we're holding above $1.5 trillion. This is beautiful. So let's go to the weekly. Let's clean this chart up. And let me show you what's going down. Okay. So far, so good with weekly support at $1.27 trillion. So, or let's see. Again, if you're just new to the channel, this is total. This is the entire market cap of all the altcoins, all of Bitcoin, every single thing in the space. Okay? And to me, it is what it is. It made the rising wedge, and it broke to the downside. Okay? These yellow dots are just other people's ideas. Don't worry about them. That's all they are. I follow other people, and it's just some of their ideas. Like, you can read what someone else thinks is happening. Okay? Falling wedge broke to the downside. Yes, it did. Measured move was right there at the beginning of the wedge. That's the measured move. Hit the measured move, time to move on. If we flip it upside down, it's the same idea. You hit the measured move here, and then you take profits at the measured move. Then we come back down to usually to support. Right? We would come back down right here to support. Isn't this fun? We're upside down the channel, and we did come back down to support. We bounce back up, then we would bounce off the next support, which is right there. So far, this is just forming a higher low. Now we need a higher high. See that? If it were going to come to the downside. So you can see how it could, you know. So we're watching this closely. To me, it broke trend, though, for sure. It broke the trend. Okay, you see that? Clearly broke the trend on the weekly time frame. I also kept suggesting, look, low on the weekly. Low on the weekly. This was just a pullback correction, in my opinion. You know? I also pulled a Fibonacci on this, and I said, this is what I really couldn't believe. All right? This is what got me the most. And I brought this up on the channel almost every other day, over and over and over and over again. Pull a Fibonacci retracement here and bring it to the upside. And you can see we came to the 618 and into the 618 and the 0.65. That's where institutions grab up in the golden pocket. I'm telling you right now. That's where they love to get in on the fib. I mean, boom. And they did their damage. They did their due diligence. Bam, up $45 in the scalp trade for BTC right now. Let this thing run. This warning makes no sense. I don't know why it does that stuff. Usually it disappears at one point and figures itself out. And look, this is why it shows when you trade, not how much you trade. Look, I put 150 in this Fantom trade, up 40 bucks. I put $2,000 in this Mana trade, up 25 bucks. 27% in yo, Fantom boom, dude. If you dollar cost average into Fantom, you're up big like yo. And as the scalp goes up 55 bucks and starting to make a move, live trades, this is a 3x leverage with 7,500 bucks. I'm putting into the trade. Okay? So levels to watch, right? We want to make sure that we don't break below $1.41 trillion. I want to bounce off that area. Okay? And I would love it if we break above 1.7. That was a line in the sand to me that I didn't want us to fall, but when we fell below it, it was damn, you know? So we're moving our way up though. Market cap's growing. A lot of money's getting thrown back into the market. Very, very bullish signs. And I'm very bullish on today. I'm very bullish today. I haven't been bullish in a long time. I tell you, take it one day at a time. And I don't like to be a moon boy. I like to just look at the charts and play the charts the way they're supposed to be played. This is a falling wedge with a 68% chance of a break to the upside. If we just play the weekly, if we play the weekly like we played my checklist says, is the price in a bullish pattern? Yes, it's in a falling wedge. Is the MACD turning bullish with the blue line curving and the pink arriving? And I look at the MACD and I'm like, let's see it. Yeah, I mean, the blue line is curving. We're in the pink, so yes. Are there any divergences? Yes. We had swing down to swing down. We had swing up to swing up. We had hidden bullish divergence. At the stochastics low, yes. You know, did we hit a Fibonacci? Are we hitting support and resistance? And I said, yes, we hit support and resistance. I went through those. That's my checklist. When everything on that checklist gets checked off, I know I'm ready to rock. So, like, my checklist is gold, baby, gold. And honestly, that's what you pay the Patreon for, man. And the tutoring session, you get the checklist. So for $99 in the tutoring session, you get the checklist. You get the golden checklist handed to you in a Patreon. I could sell the checklist for $99 a month. I swear to gosh. I should just sell the checklist for $99 a month, man. I believe I could sell it by itself. As my trade goes up $75, I think this is going to be a winner today. Starting to pump to the upside. I did my due diligence. We were almost never down in the trade. Just for maybe 10 seconds we were down. This trade's starting to make a bit of a move, and that's going to take all your pairs up to the upside. You better get some capital in this game today. What a beautiful Monday to be making some money, all right? 1.52 trillion. So that's the total market cap, looking very healthy. We've done our due diligence now. We've gone over Bitcoin. We've gone over the total market cap. The weekly ready to blast off to the upside. Let's look at that daily, though. Daily is overbought. Worries me. I'd like to double top, get back above here, and then come back down and bounce off 1.5 trillion. That would be a beautiful thing. So the daily is high. Warning all, the daily is high. When this 1 hour comes to the upside, we should close all trades. Just saying. We should close all trades. Total also flagging, so Bitcoin on the move, man. Everything looking really, really bullish. Let's get back to BTC for a quick second. Make sure everything's looking tight and right. Ooh, it's breaking out. She's starting to break. She's starting to make her move, man. She's starting to go. 38.9. She goes to 40K. She breaks this line right here. She gone, baby. She gone. Up $99 in the trade. Bitcoin starting to make a move for me as there I get $100. That's how you make $100. I opened the trade at 11:59. It is 12:25. I made $100 in 26 minutes. No other profession can you make $100 in 26 minutes from your house. Sitting back, relaxing, not relaxing, but putting in that work. And then we made another $10, 111. Bitcoin starting to pump on the move. This may be another lifer call that blasts to the moon, baby. I mean, that's a low. We're getting a lot of movement here. We're getting a lot of push up. You're seeing news for Amazon. The whole market wants to come in. You're seeing TikToks. People love this space. My channel's high. We have the most people ever watching on the live stream. Google's pushing the algorithms. Things are moving here. You can feel the energy. You can feel the vibes. We are rocking out to the speed of light, man. Thanks for the stream, lifer. Thanks for the $19.90 super chat. Let me respect that. Someone sent in 20 beans. Hold on. Be your own super chat. Repent 777. Appreciate you, man. Thank you very much. Matthew Rock, thank you so much for the jumping jack. Appreciate you, man. And look, there's my own super chat. That's how I could super chat myself right now. Boom, look. Super chat me up. Okay, so Bitcoin pumping to the upside. Do you guys want to know the next thing? Next little trend watch. We're going to flip this to trend watch. Watch this, what we do. Stay tuned for this. This is the gem I said I was going to give to you. If I get 200 likes, I got 213 likes on the live stream. Love you guys. Love you guys. Love you guys. 221 people watching. Pumping to the upside. Can you feel the energy as Bitcoin pumping, wants to break 40K. It wants 40K. Stochastics so low, ready to rock on the 1 hour. Dude, when I'm telling you, when the stochastics reset like this and you see a sideways action, it's telling you there's bullish signs coming to the upside. It's telling you that things are ready to rock. Woo! This is my exercise, baby. I'm going to exercise today. I'm going to put on this music and jump around like a maniac. I'm so excited for cryptocurrency and the space. And honestly, we could still see 15K. I don't want you to be moon boys. We're not going to be moon boys. We're going to close this trade when the 1 hour goes high. And we're going to make some nice profits and move on. Okay? Professional pores. I missed the professional pour. You guys missed it. It don't stop. We won't stop pushing it. And Bitcoin pumps to the upside. There's the breakout we're getting. Now I'm up $143 in the trade, dude. This is how you make money trading cryptocurrency, baby. Live on the live stream every single day, bringing you a live trade, showing you guys how to make money every single day. I hold nothing back. I'm so excited about my life. You are as powerful as what you give away. Everyone else, dude, up $232 in the trade. Booming, baby. Up 3% on that 1%. 3x leverage on the trade. Bitcoin pumping to the upside. Just getting started. I'm going to ride this 1 hour up all day long, baby. All day long. That's how you make $232 in a half an hour. We opened the trade at 11:59. It is 12:29. 30 minutes, $239. Get off me. Pa. Now what I might do is I put a stop loss at break even now. Because now I can't lose. Okay? I don't like being out there with the liquidity. I really don't like being out there with liquidity. But if I can hit edit right now, this is why I like 3 commas. I can edit the trade live really fast. Really fast. And I could set a stop loss at break even. So you can set stop loss, put it at 0%, call it a day. I don't like the conditional limit order. I don't know why it does that. And you can hit save changes. Now you can't lose money in the trade. That's how you do it. Can't lose money now. It's a win-win. I can walk away for the rest of the day and just say, oh well, either I make 200 or 1,000, 2,000, who knows? I'll let this trade last a couple days. We'll see how it happens. This is a fat breakout. This is a fat breakout for Bitcoin. Let's zoom in on this big ass candle. Booming to the upside. Boom. Giving you live trades every single day, bringing the energy every single day, positive vibes, positive, just keeping you guys feeling good, man. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you, okay? You heard it for sure. Possible 1 hour scalp on Bake. Yeah, oh yeah. Sound is important. Facts. Did anyone check the Voodoo Biker Gang movie Randall mentioned on Crypto Love earlier? You guys are funny, man. Shout out to Randall. Shout out to Crypto Love, man. Held me down so much, man. Appreciate you, Crypto Love. Pumping, we jumping, baby. Haha, love the energy. Holy Shitoshi. Bitcoin is pumping. The music is pumping. Lifer is pumping. Everything is pumping. Oh. Up $600. Yes, baby, yes. Holy Shitoshi me. KuCoin works to make all these trades instead of Binance. Yes, you can go on KuCoin. Yeah, for sure. They even have 3x leverage on KuCoin as well. Beautiful call right now. Booming, 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 booming. And so then you're going to get a pullback here on the 15-minute. That's what happens. 15-minute pulls back down to support. Now goes sideways. That's what you're going to see. We hold 39K, and Bitcoin is pumping up hard. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day, man. Woo. Uni up, right? Get into these up tokens, man. Up tokens are going to pump hard today. So look, Uni up, Link up. Let me show you. Let me show you how to make extra money on these calls. Use Link up, okay? Use Uni up. Use all these up tokens. They break up to the upside. Wow, Link up bumped up really nice. Bondly, VRA, Verasity, dude, everything. Like I tell you, man, just find these targets. Look at that. You can even negate it and make it sharper like a symmetrical triangle. And bam, it broke to the upside. Look at that. Nice bull pennant. Booming. Veracity. All our coins, all our bags are going to pump back up. All those bags that we've had for days, everything we've been holding, pumping. Unbelievable. Cocos. COTI doing its thing. So look, that 1 hour's low for almost everything, and everything is pumping. It's like a cattle, and it's like you're a farmer and you're watching the cattle and it's jumping all over this. Watch WRX. This thing looks like it's about to go parabolic. I'm making a call for this because it looks like it wants to break out of a rising wedge as it's low on the stochastics. That's insane. That's absolutely insane. That tells me something big is brewing for this. All right, it does have a 68% chance, but watch this call for WRX on Binance, okay? Long position, stop loss below that nasty wick, and rider to the upside. And beginning, these could be the beginnings of bigger moves. I don't like the risk reward ratio. It's 2-to-1, but I do feel there's just extra pumpage going on right now. Remember, this has a 68% chance of a break to the downside. Just remember that. High risk reward play. What I like to see, though, is look, support. We came back and touched it there. So we've done the SNR flip. We've done the bounce. Okay? We've done the bounce. We're going to copy that. And that gets sent out to my Patreons. They get calls throughout the day, consistently sent into their inbox all day long. I even do video calls explaining what's happening. Okay, WRX USDT. It's going to be a crazy day for me and my team and my admins. We're going to be looking through the charts, pumping out the charts all day long, baby. Stay tuned for more on this crazy Monday, man. Unbelievable. Bitcoin pumping. Welcome to the live stream with the Crypto Lifer. Hope you're having a wonderful day out there. Holy pumpers, pump it up. Official pump group. Everything is pumping except CHR. It'll come back, man. Where's the super chats at, though? I don't see not one. I got the $9.99. Appreciate you, though. Bring that energy, man. Tellor looks really nice as well. Tellor looks really, really good. TRB, man. I'm with you on that. Wait, I thought you could get... No, hold on. Oh, I want to look at TLM now. I'm going to spend an NFT section. Time to get into NFTs. Watch this call here, man. This is looking sweet. This is looking so sweet. When this beat finally breaks, it gets so crazy. I love it. Dude, can we, wow, 223 likes, 3 dislikes. Awesome, awesome. Whoever hit the dislike button, you're in the minority. Bro, you don't like V, do you? Let's take a look at VeChain. I love VeChain. All right. You have to remember, man, my mind's racing on 100 things. I got $21,000 in a trade. You're asking me about VeChain. You see what I'm saying? Like, let's get real. Like, I'm going to get to it, but like, give me a second. Or remind me 10 times in a row. And I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect. And honestly, you don't even have to ask me to look at VeChain. It's in the top 100 coins. It's going to act like every other coin. It's going to look just like MATIC. It's going to look like every coin. It's going to pump to the upside. Like, this thing is going to pump. Like, every coin wants to pump back to the upside, man. I'm telling you right now. Major pumpage. There will be a pullback from this day. Remind yourselves. Like, don't FOMO in here. On long-term holds, like, make some capital on these pumps and then reposition yourselves into a gain. Yeah, VeChain's about to pump too, man. I mean, it doesn't matter. Take your pick. Take your pick. I'm teaching you guys things about the market. Now, you go to the 30-minute. It's ready to rock too. Go to the 15-minute. It's high. So here, if you want to be perfect, 15-minute might come back down to the bottom of the pattern here, and then you can get in. So use the 15-minute to perfect the buy. Wait for a wick or something like that. Watch your stop loss on this one. You could get wicked out if you don't play it right. You could get wicked out if you don't play this right. See, I didn't use a stop loss on my last call because when I got in, I didn't want them to manipulate me out of the trade. Now I have break-even stop loss. Now I can't lose. Now the 7,500 is protected. Look how good that was, man. You win the trade for 10 minutes and now you can't lose money. That's a perfect trade. Everyone wishes they could make this trade. Put $21,000 in a trade. Because I did. I put 7,500 at 3x leverage. A Bitcoin up trade is a 3x leverage trade on Bitcoin, right? So you're getting 3x more in your money. If Bitcoin goes up 1%, you're getting 2%. That's why, look, I'm already up 2.9%, but Bitcoin's only up 1%, okay? That's what an up token does for you on Binance. And what I love about an up token is you can play it with the bullish way that I taught you. So you don't have to change your style. And you can change a down token the same way, right? Once this pump happens, there's going to be a rejection at some point. 42K, 41K, there's going to be a place where Bitcoin can't happen to get by, and then that's where we're going to take a little bit of a short back down, right? We're going to short these markets up. We're going to short the market down. We're going to have fun trading it back and forth, left and right. And so there's your VeChain call. Use the 15-minute to get into the call, but the 1 hour is the call, right? But it's just a little high at the top of the pattern. Suggested and then we may double bottom here when this comes back down, and then we're ready to rock. And I've seen that happen many, many times. So VeChain looking really nice, but use the 15-minute to get into the trade, okay? So what I do is here, wait, possibly wait for price to come down to this section here. So let me show you. I'll do a call out here. Aim to buy at the bottom here. Works for me right there. All right. Right in there. In the sweet spot. All right. Now, stop loss, you're going to want to play it. You want to see we might wick down. You're going to have to play it the way you need to, right? Like, that's why I can give you as many trades as I can, but you got to learn how to trade. You have to yourself learn how to trade. Then you can utilize my information even more. The better you come as a trader, the more money you will make off my calls, or the more knowledge you'll gain off the calls. I don't want to claim anyone makes any money here. That's. So let me make that very clear. This is educational and speculative purposes only, and entertainment purposes only. I want you to be entertained. I want you to be educated. This is my life in a nutshell, right? But here's the idea, right? And then I'll draw this P&L. And again, what I love about this is now I put another alert right here. And I'll snatch VeChain if we hit the alert. You get it? This is my system. No one ever taught me this. This is my little system I figured out one day. I said, I could put an alert down there. And that's why I aim to get the pro package, because look at all the alerts I got. I got alerts for days, man. And the alerts go off. They let me know, time to get into a trade. Let's rock it. So I keep the alert on, keep the sound on, keep my phone vibrating, and boom, boom, boom. So VeChain might come back down to about, 8.8374, and then looks like it's going to blast back up to about $10 again. So watch VeChain. Watch VeChain very closely. Look, the trade is still up $205, looking really, really nice, and it's in break-even position. I can't lose. That's how you make a trade, all right? I just did it live. I did it live. I made, I didn't even know I was going to make the trade when I started the stream. The stream was there. I saw the position. Now we're up $298. I mean, this is how you make $300. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Then you're going to see, VeChain might just erupt now. It may not come back down here. It may just explode. Get your money in this market, man. Jesus. You could sit in USDT all you want. Wow, baby. Wow. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Trading. What do you do for a living? I'm a YouTube trader. Maniac. I do what I want. I got no boss. And I make more money than I used to with a full-time college job, a job that I had to go to college for. Come on, man. Follow your own heart. Follow your own soul. Go your own way, man. People will follow you and you go your own way, bro. Let's go. BTC liquidated 1.1 million shorts just now. Why are people shorting Bitcoin? Do they not know how to read technical analysis? Like, what is wrong with them? Like, the hopium is insane. It's like, oh, maybe if I just stay in the trade long enough, everything will work out. What? Are you listening to yourself? And you're shorting the hardest money on earth? Like, it's just like, come on, man. It shows ignorance on many, many, many levels. Ignorance on many levels. So, of course, we're going to have a little problem. 15 minutes, very high. That's going to sort itself out, and then we're going to blast on out. So look for that to go sideways. Flag on out if you want to judge the health of Bitcoin, if it's going to dump or pump, if it's a fake out. It's very simple. You'll know if it's a fake out by drawing this projected move, watching the stochastics come to the downside. This is a very simple strategy that I keep using. It works out very, very well. Watch for this to come back down, hit the alert, boom, ready to get into Bitcoin again, and it will rock it out, and then you can get a scalp going, right? I'm going to stay in my position as I started down here, and we're rocking out to the upside, right? Okay, let me get back into the chat real fast. Let's see what's going on with the chat. How is MATIC? You forgot VeChain. We went over VeChain already. We got you. We got the VeChain. Bitcoin to 40K. Bitcoin pump time. Let's go. It definitely wants 40K, baby. It wants to break this high for sure. It wants to go to 40K. It does. It really does. And now we got beautiful support forming here too, which is really, really nice. 37,760, right? Dub Bears, shorting Beacon in pump is easy way to get wrecked. Yeah, what's good, Rock? Like, zoom out for us, please. Ooh, my bad. Sorry about that. Stochastics are low right here, break to the downside. Sorry about that. You guys missed some information. So look, put an alert down here, and that's what I'm talking about. Okay, you put an alert down there, that pumps the price up to the upside. That's like, okay, if the alert comes down here, price should boom back up and get a reversal. So that's why I put the reversal down there. I turned the music down a little bit for me. It was getting super loud for me, personally. Rocking out. Beautiful trade. Up $304 in the trade. You saw me do it live. Hasn't even been an hour, man. 11:59. Make 300. Oh, 250, and that's how leverage works. You could lose it all in a second. You could win it all in a second. Acro is looking really hot. Can you check it, please? Let's take a look at Acro. Zoom out for us soon, please. Yeah, I got you. What's good, life and lovers? Thank you, Craze Trades. Shout out to Craze Trades up in the spot. Thank you for the $15 super chat. Thank you for the $2. Burgermeister asked for ban. Let's take a look at ban for Burgermeister. I'm now engaged. I'm engaged, guys. I'm engaged. Okay. So I knew the trade would kind of slip up because we're high on the 15 minutes. So don't worry. All worried. That 1 hour looks beautiful. Let's take a look at ban protocol. All right, ban. So it did a fake out. Broke everyone back into the pattern. Forming a bit of an ascending triangle. This is what we call an ascending triangle. A-S-C-E-N-D-E-N-I-N-G. Ascending triangle, okay? That's a very bullish pattern, break to the upside. It can be a 50-50 pattern. I've seen it break out a lot in cryptocurrency. Running out of room here on the 15-minute. Highly likely BAN wants to break to the upside. I like BAN here for sure. Let's take a look at BAN on the 1 hour as well. Same scenario. The altcoins want back. Everything wants back, man. Just like you know when the market's going to dump, everything looks nasty. You can feel when the market's going to pump, everything looks great. So Shout out to all the Patreons that left the Patreon. Ooh, sorry, I shouldn't say that. Yikes, yikes, my bad. My bad. You may have missed out on some gains. Oops. Oops, you let the bear market get to you again? Yo, weak-minded, man. You gotta be mentally tough, man. In this game, you gotta be mentally tough. They will mentally try to break you down. If you are not mentally strong, cryptocurrency is not the game for you. Not at all. So every coin is in this exact idea here. And honestly, their bellies are fat. They liquidated the shorts. They're happy. Now they're ready to ride up with the rest of the crew, right? So the bears are okay. I mean, the bulls, you know, and the whales and all the market and the exchanges, they ate, dude. They ate so fat for the last 24 hours. They're so happy right now, right? Skill token, NFT, the game. Yeah, dude, that thing keeps going up, man. Bitcoin liquidated 1.1 million shorts. Yeah. What is the best way to get my cash into KuCoin? Buy it on USDC and send the USDC to KuCoin. Done. It's that simple. Buy USDC and send the USDC to KuCoin. Acro is looking really hot. Can you check it, please? Yeah, we'll take a look. For Jason Cloud Down. Repent super chat at me for XLM. Let's take a look at XLM. And I mean, I think we're going to see the same exact pattern that we just saw. Am I wrong? Yeah, I mean, like, I just told you guys what to do. Go find your favorite coin, put it in a gosh damn pennant or flag, and trade the thing. You know what I'm saying? And trade the thing. Like, let go of your fear, man. Like, let go of your fear. You can only be in fear for so long until it's time to break out of that fear, man. Fear that you're going to lose a trade. Fear that you're going to lose money. Fear that something's not going to go right. Everything will go right. You got to believe that every trade will go right. Look, that's a cup and handle for Stellar Lumens, okay? I already kind of positioned us here. This was the idea here. And we broke out. See that? And we started to break out. So already a pump on Stellar Lumens. Had you taken the call that we gave on Stellar not too long ago, all right? And look, cup and handle about to break to the upside. I see more for Stellar Lumens. Also, it's got some big news. You know, the banks are using this thing, man. I'm telling you, behind the scenes. Stellar Lumens, man, got more to go. I see 26. This trade's still open. Never closed the Stellar Lumen trade. So continue to the upside. This trade is still open, right? If you want to readjust. So bigger trade. Stellar Lumen trade is still open. XLM. If you're in my group and you need to know something, look, type in XLM, right? And look, update, right, on 7/22. XLM 10x leverage right there. But here, and we're giving you the XLM call right here, telling you get into XLM here at the bottom. Wait, sorry. Right here off this falling wedge added at the bottom, right? Initial entry, 26.26. When it came back down, added more, boom, all right? So getting into Stellar Lumens at 26.26, and now it's starting to make a bit of a move. So things looking pretty nice. I even gave a call on the channel. I know I made a call on the channel to get into Stellar in this flag right here. Boom into the upside, Stellar Lumens. Because someone asked for a Stellar the other day on a super chat. So you want Stellar, you want to know what's happening. I mean, the 1 hour's ready to rock and you're in a flag. What else do you need to know? The whole market's going to move with Bitcoin. It looked like Bitcoin wants to pump to the upside pretty nicely. So we'll watch how this plays out. We'll watch how this plays out. Okay. Did BC get rejected at 40K? We'll take a look at BTC. I don't think so. Let me see. That's the up channel, but I don't think we got that high yet. We're not there yet. That 1 hour is very low. Like, I think it's till 8. I'm gonna be in this trade till 8 or 9 tonight, or at least 5 or 6 tonight. It's gonna be at least 5-6 hours, right? I told you the 15-minute had a pullback. I showed you this. So I told you to make a flag and watch the flag. I told you exactly what to do. And now if Bitcoin breaks back down, then it's just kind of, it's in this bigger channel, which it could be in right now. Look at this. And it could make its way back to the downside and then just kind of do this and channel its way up and down. Form another one of these broadening wedges that it made before. Look at that. So watch this channel really closely. If it does come down, it wants to come back down. 1 hour suggests that we're just getting started. So support is right there. Bam. Okay? Do you think the Department of Justice will have any effect on the market? Nah, I don't really care. They've been doing this for years, man. I do not care. I'll move on to another stablecoin. I'm in USDC now. I just move on to another stablecoin. I really don't think it has any effect on the market whatsoever. 39,000, baby, baby, baby. So now look, we broke above this resistance. This is now support too. So beautiful thing right now. We look at the 15-minute. I just want to see this candle, these candles stay above this line. Even here on the 15-minute, right there. Look, 2 levels of support resistance that we could hold on the 15-minute. Pretty nice. Okay. Why BNB gaining so much? Care to share your insight? BNB just moves with the market really well. You know, when the market comes back, BNB comes back. People start buying BNB and getting into these little coins again. The ecosystem starts. They go, oh my God, S coins are coming back, and S coins start to pump. Microcap coins start to pump, and people go, oh gosh, and they start buying BNB. So BNB pumps. It's got an ecosystem. It's got a world. I mean, people were waiting, like me. Like I need to see confirmation on Bitcoin to get into these little coins. These little coins come back, man. Why BNB not gaining as much? I think it is gaining that much. I think I disagree with you. I think it's doing great. I think it's doing amazing. And I believe it's about to break to the upside too as well. BNB about to do some damage. Watch all these coins, man. And yes, everything's dependent on Bitcoin. That's why you put a stop loss. So worst comes to worst, you get stopped out and you move on to the next one. Or you begin to start a rally to the upside on a major move, which is really, really nice and highly likely. Okay? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me. 12:52. My goodness. How did it get all the way to 1 o'clock? What a pump action. Okay. I usually do way better with the super chats. If you want to keep sending super chats, I'll go over any coin you want. Basically, everything is independent. The entire market is independent. Like, the entire market. You know? This is my favorite coin, AAVE. I've been trading AAVE for a long time, back and forth, right? So look at this. Look at this idea on the daily time frame. Head and shoulders looking beautiful. Look at that. Bam, bam, and starting to break out now. But for a possible retest of previous support on a smaller time frame, but she's flagging too, like everything else. Doing really nice above support region right there. Look, resistance holding that support line. We're getting a lot of legendary support here on all the different coins, man. So you can take a 15-minute scalp when it comes back down. You can take a 1-hour trade. Oh, you can go to the daily and just look at AAVE right now. I mean, it is overbought. I'll give it that. But this is breaking out a previous resistance for sure. Right? Bam. And that's a nice gain. I mean, 20% gains for AAVE. I mean, if it breaks this line, like watch, so lines to watch for AAVE. If it breaks this line here, it's gone. If it breaks this line, it's gone. It breaks this line or this line. All right. Measured move is this. Sorry. That's going to boom you up, Scotty. So, see what I'm saying? So now you look at the trade. The trade's a gap up here. A 42% trade. Looks beautiful. Now, and then you execute the trade on the 15-minute. So you see the trade looks good there, and then you execute the trade on the 15-minute. Okay? I hope you're picking up what I'm putting down, man. So So here's a smaller trade. There's a bigger trade. I just gave you 2 trades in one. I showed you how to make this trade into the bigger trade. And that's true trading. All right, now wait for the 15-minute to reset as well. We don't push it. All right, AAVE, USDT, man. Again, everything's contingent on Bitcoin. Bitcoin could ruin every setup we post if it dumps. Highly unlikely, things are looking very good, but I'm just bringing that up. Just bringing that up. And that's why it's called trading, and it is risky. High risk, high reward, though. You do something riskier than someone else, you'll get rewarded more. Someone else went to work today and took a cushy job. They knew they were going to get a paycheck. They sat at their computer. No, we took risks. We put our money into the table. We could have lost. We could have won. Right? That's why we can make more money. That's why we have the ability to make millions of dollars a year and not just 80 grand a year, 50 grand a year, 100 grand a year. There's no limit to what a trader can make. You're the limit. You're the limit to what you can make. You limit yourself. So that's what I love about trading. Is the one profession that I could choose, that I could go as hard as I want all the way to the moon with. And that's why I took trading. That's why I always wanted to be a trader. That's why I looked up to traders. That's why I fiend to be a trader by the time I was 26, 27. I looked at Mike Novogratz and I said, man, that's the life, man. They're most respected dudes in Wall Street. When traders walk into a restaurant, they're all suited up. Like, people are just like, damn, man. Like, they run the game. They run the gambit. People listen to them. They're on the news. I'm going to be on the news one day telling people, and you should have bought Bitcoin on my YouTube channel. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, man. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for being here. Bam. And then look, I'm going to post this, but I'm also going to post a bigger idea. Explain that there's 2 trades going on here. You see what I'm saying? Two big trades lining up very, very nicely. And now you're going to start seeing me post bigger ideas. When I get more comfortable with the trend. When I get more comfortable with the trend, things start making sense. AAVE. Okay. BTC moved 2% plus 14 billion. Isn't the SEC new rulings on tax losses absolutely brilliant news for crypto? That's not new rules. Those have been in for a long time. Fan meetup in Dubai. Yeah, we got to do that. Already 1 p.m. Sheesh. He's been bullish, bearish. News has been bullish. Just perspective, I guess. Ryan Chapman. Shout out to Ryan Chapman. Appreciate you, brother. Don't forget to join the Patreon. Access to exclusive rooms and calls. Don't forget to join the beginner's room. All the links in the description. What's your age now? 38 years old. Hey, Odie, I'd ask yours. Hey, Oldie, I don't ask yours. Yes, sir, 68. You guys are funny, man. Do you think the Department of Justice invested? Not a big deal. Damn, what happened? All the comments are kind of dying off. 207 people still watching, though. All right, guys. I'm going to run out of here for the day. I feel like we filled your plates. What an amazing live stream. Went for like 3 hours. We had a little bit of an intermission in the middle. But, yeah, I'm gonna start to get ready and get you guys understanding that this stream will be ending soon. You know, just kind of getting you all ready for that. It's all crypto love or just Bitcoin. No, I do everything. I do DeFi. I do DeFi, staking. You know, I teach you about Solana. I teach you how to use KuCoin. I do microcap coins. Like, we look at microcap coins. Yes, I made $2,500 turned into 200 grand with SafeMoon. I 100x with SafeMoon live on the live stream. You know what I'm saying? So much has happened, man. Thank you for being alive, my dude. Shout out to Alexander Gustav. Shout out to Anko, Kusi, Kabutu. Shout out to everyone here, man. Bitcoin, please, for the last time. Crypto is life. I told you exactly what to do with Bitcoin already. I gave you exactly how to trade it. Like, I told you what to do. It's bullish, man. Extremely bullish. Look at this. The daily isn't. After this one more bounce to the upside, we're gonna see a bit of a pullback. 39K seems to be whole. We're doing really well. Can you pump your theme song before you leave? I got a blessing from it every time. I will pump the theme song. So guys, I'm gonna play the Crypto Lifer theme song, and you guys can check it out. Here it comes, the Crypto Lifer theme song. All right, here it comes.
I love every one of y'all. Gotta cherish every moment. Like it could be your last.
This is my life, this is how it looks. This is my story, take a page out my book. This is my family, and these are my friends. Tight knit through the twist and the bends. This is my life.
I'm also a rapper. I make music online.
This is my story, take a page out my book. This is my family, and these are my friends. Tight knit through the twist and the bends. I would love the same way again, and I would die for all of my friends, and I would use my blood for a pen to write you a letter you see through my lens, and I can see the light in her eyes, the light of my daughter, the light of the sky. Never in darkness, we never be shy, forever be bright, and forever we rise. Nothing you could say to me, nothing you could do to us. I'm the one that made these dreams. When they shoot at us, bleeding on my wrist, had me running to the ER. Trying to save my life, I was born just to see scars. So every single moment is a blessing that I can't get back. Appreciate the seconds and the minutes as they turn to black. So light it up and blow it back, count it out and blow a stack. We in the here and now, to the past, we ain't going back. This is my life, this is how it looks. This is my story, take a page out my book. This is my family, and these are my friends. Tight knit through the twist and the bends. This is my life, this is how it looks. This is my story, take a page out my book. This is my family, and these are my friends. Tight knit through the twist and the bends. Our lives are just a flash in the pan, a leaf in the stream, a sprinkle of sand. At least we can dream, at least we can dance. What we leave for our streams, we leave with the land. These are the days, these are the times. Let me be free, let me design. We all want the same, we all want the love. Nobody's alone, cause this life is a drug. What is all the hate for? What do we debate for? What you gonna wait for? Your dying day is coming, so what you coming late for? I'm coming like a racehorse, busting through the gate, change my fate, my face for. My life is a gift, and I'ma give it till there's nothing left. Going till the sun is set, holding not one regret. Winning with the stunning bet, double down and win a bet. Keep my family living lavish till every last one is set. This is my life, this is how it looks. This is my story, take a page out my book. This is my family, and these are my friends. Tight knit through the twist and the bends. This is my life, this is how it looks. This is my story, take a page out my book. This is my family, and these are my friends. Tight knit through the twist and the bends.
You know that your life is a gift, and it's a blessing, man. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate it. At the end of every live stream, I say crypto is life. We got rejected by 39K. That's what happened right there. Rejection at 39.5. Now Bitcoin's struggling up, but that 1 hour is still good. We could double bottom, but everything's looking good, man. We're still bullish. Don't be worried. Don't have fear. All will be well. All will be good. Yeah. I don't have fear. I get my trades. I do my due diligence, and then I let the trade do its thing. You know what I'm saying? And we ride it to the upside or to the downside. It is what it is. We have stop losses. And we take it for what it is, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for being here. Thank you for coming to the live stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 10 a.m. I'm here every single day. We'll go over Bitcoin, total, Bitcoin dominance, all different things about the market, and show you what's going on. First time hearing that great song. Thank you. Yeah, I wrote the song about 2 years ago. And messing up your own song, shaking my head, this guy. At least in the stream, a sprinkle of sand. Yeah, a leaf in the stream, a sprinkle of sand. At least we could dream. At least we could dance. What we leave for our seeds, we leave with the land. These are the days. These are the times. Let me be free. Let me design. We all want this. We all want the love. Nobody's alone because this life is a drug, man. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the live. Thank you for being here. Stay inspired. Drink water. Work out. Keep your mind right. Stay away from alcohol. Stay away from drugs, man. I'm telling you right now, you don't need the nonsense. And I'll see you guys on the next live stream. Bitcoin is life. Changed it up on you, see? Bitcoin is life. I can't actually, oh yeah, I had to redo my settings, so I got to find my my live stream button there. But guys, thank you so much. My wife is staring at me. She's right there. She's staring at me. That's what she does. Get out of here. Get out of here. Don't touch the lifer. She has to make an appointment just to talk to the lifer. Are you on the appointment schedule? Did you make an appointment with me? Don't touch me. Don't touch me, baby, eh? What's it like having a husband as a celebrity?
You're funny. Are you still, you don't know how to get off your own life?
No, it takes forever because I had to redo this.
Why didn't you have it set up already?
I always do have it. I could actually exit out fast here. It just creates a weird problem.
Okay.
You know, I go into the control room. It's all good.
You like to be in control.
No, I don't want to be controlled. What are you talking like that? That's nonsense. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for being here, guys. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life. I'll see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. If you want to join the Patreon, link is in the description. If you want tutoring, link is in the description. I will help you find your way into cryptocurrency for $99 a month. And here's the deal. If you buy a tutoring, here's the deal. If you pay for $1,000 in cryptocurrency, so here's the deal. For $1,050, we'll give you a tutoring session and you join for a year. That's the new deal. $1,050 in cryptocurrency. You get exclusive 1 year, subscription to my trading, and you get a bonus 50% off on a tutoring session. So come on in, pay $1,050 in cryptocurrency, and get 1 year subscription and a tutoring session. Get yourself started. You will not, you won't regret it. It will be the best investment you ever made, besides buying Bitcoin, or maybe that and Bitcoin. I don't know, but crypto is life.